Oh! Oh! Yo! Good morning! How you guys doing? Good morning, chat. Good morning, Shade 11. You having a good day so far? I have returned. Good morning. I'm super happy. I have finally sent out the emails on the YouTuber list. I made a mistake. We'll fix the mistake.
Hi.
But apart from that, I'm finally done. Finally.
Time to stare at the water today until it moves.
Oh.
I'm under the water.
And I thought that today, since it's over, the big stress is finally done, we could check out some of the competition. What do you guys think about that? There's a Steam Next Fest preview for developers. So this is the Next Fest page, and it shows what it should show.
Good day.
It's loading. All of the other games that will take part in Next Fest this year. Or this month. Not this month. Like next month. In like 2 weeks. And to discover trailer preview Dark Fracture. And I thought we'd check out some of the other games. Duna. What is that? Dimension 2. Traditional JRPG game with turn-based battles. Ooh,
am I so out of touch?
Yo!
No.
Real Superku just
Real Superku, thank you very much for subscribing, man.
Thumbs up emoji. Make a good game and don't
Cakes, are you allowed to show
the
this?
money will come to you.
Why should I not be allowed to show this?
Bad take. 30 seconds.
Valve all rights reserved, trademark property, owners, countries. How to next fest, play demos, wishlist. I should be allowed to show this, why should I not? Steam made this preview is designed to show which tab sections will appear, how to use the page.
Don't be afraid of poor marketing.
It does say dev preview.
Good game
okay,
will
how about
sell
this?
nonetheless. The money will come to you.
Steam.
IVCHOOS. SPOORT's betting. ESPOORT. Zero only ni siatashan 0. Twick equals scum.
Is public for players to try. There's no special press only access to ensure your demo is included. The developer page will be available before the start of the event in case the other festivals organized. Here, let's see. Shh. Steam Next Fest weekly celebration upcoming games. It's a week-long demos, watching trailers, blah blah, wishlist their favorite games for developers. This opportunity, the page, up evergreen information, fest shown. How do I register? Eligibility, they may only participate in one Next Fest. Eligibility, setting up your demo, being included. Press preview event, we offer select press not given the override access to your demo. They will not have special access to your demo, so whatever, blah blah blah. Couple of things to know about the press. The press preview, game visibility. What did it say? A developer page. A developer, yeah. A developer page will be available for the Next Fest. You can see will be organized where the game is. We recommend checking this out. It gives you blah blah. If you have issues with showing up the Next Fest page, has begun. A few things to check out. Ensure that your game is properly registered. Make sure you have released the game demo before. The start of the fest, yeah. Only games with release demos will be eligible to appear. Make sure the store page tags applied to your game are accurate. It doesn't matter. You have a fucked up brain? Listen, it was 5 AM in the morning or 6 AM in the morning, okay? And Zoe woke me up after 5 hours of sleeping. So, yeah, I made a mistake, mate. Okay. It is how it is, okay? It's in the past now. We move forward. Cakes, I wrote some feedback on Discord when you're gonna have time to please add reaction to things that you plan to implement or reply why you won't. Now. We have time for it now. Hello, Ulas on YouTube. How you doing?
I love Cakez, dirty dog fucker, no soap, no skill, no original ideas, balloons, steal a bastard, no clue, no knowledge, no
Anyways,
games,
let's check out the
no
competition.
context, no code,
And
dumb
Neat
idiot,
Games is
family,
also a
fuck off,
part of the
stop
next fest.
streaming, okay, champ.
By the way, I saw your game, bro. Let's see, Donna. What is this? This demo contains content you have asked not to see. Uh-oh. Sexual nudity. That's not good. Story trailer. This AI. I don't see any nudity though. I really don't see any nudity. I don't know. It's a weird mix of pixel art. I don't think the game will be... Oof. All-time peak of 1 player. Yikes, that's a demo page. Add to wishlist, dimension 2. 10, so it's about 100 followers. 100 wishlists. Okay, I'll show you in a second. I just gotta make sure the screenshots... I don't know, I don't see any nudity, so it's fine. This is the game. It looks a bit odd. Does not look that appealing to me. And then it's a mix between pixel art, characters, and real art. It looks like... Maybe it's an asset flip? I don't know. The art looks just weird to me. Very, very weird. Yeah, I mean, it does not look that great. Gotta be honest. Null exception sent his email himself, bro. It was public. I only provided emails in that document that were public, you dummy. Okay, stop. Yeah, so one-time player peak, that does not look too hot. I think the game doesn't have any appeal. What do you guys think about this game? It looks a little too amateurish. And like from the screenshots, the battles don't look... Your action was cancelled. Choose a new action. Why was it cancelled? Why would you provide such a screenshot and not a screenshot of hitting this guy? It looks okay art-wise. It's not a game. It's a game maker. This is a game maker? The story, 70-year-old parasite hunter. Okay, oh god, who cares about the story? Key features. 1 hour of gameplay. In the demo you could explore X City. Female characters, monster, turn-based battles. What you talking about, bro? Anyways, okay, so that would be the first. What is this? Oh, that's gonna be a good game. Ah, okay, this is all of the guys and girls that like cute stuff. This is gonna have a lot of wish lists. Guys, before we look at this, how many? How many wish lists? Chat, how much? What do you guys think? 77, 24k, 24k, 12k. I think it'll be like 5k, 400, 1k. It's all over the place. Interesting. 500. Let's see. Oh, close. 4k, 3k. Interesting. A lot of wish lists though. Yeah, oh yeah. Yeah, this guy's been farming wish lists. After next fest, yeah, it's gonna have... After next fest, it's gonna have much more. 100%. I think this guy has like 4k. Man, this looks amazing. Look at the glow on this. How do you do that? What game is this? What is this made in? The Fox... Yeah, this is easily the best game. Probably of next fest. Let's see. A Foxtail... Demos, DB. Is it Unity? What is it, guys? Unity? Can you see it here? Yeah, Unity engine. It is. How do they do this glow on the bottom there? Is this bloom? That just... Is this bloom that illuminates the area from the bottom to the top here? No way, this is the best game? Art-wise, it's the most appealing game so far, and I've looked a little bit yesterday. Like, this one's miles ahead. But man, this looks amazing, bro. We have bloom here. We have actual shadows here. We have some more bloom on these even. And then bloom here. There's bloom on these particles too. And then bloom at the bottom. This guy loves bloom, huh? Looks like bloom. It's just bloom. Okay. So what you're saying is he has different bloom levels depending on... Oh, it's just a lot of bloom. 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 2 clicks in Unity.
2 clicks in Unity. I hate it.
Okay. It's not a joke. I know!
It's good to see you again.
In any case, it doesn't look that great, actually. No. Oh my god, it looks amazing. Oh, shit, it looks so good. Fuck, man. Imagine if my game looked like that, guys. Should I add bloom to my game? Chat, bloom rework? Bernd Sohn, halt die Fresse, Marken. You have bloom? I don't have bloom. No bloom after release. Until after... No bloom after... No. It gotta be before release, bro.
Empty.
Long time no see. Hey, Kudo, long time no see. Your game looks good now. Did you finally switch? I'm gonna give you a 2-minute ban because you've been gone for a long time, but... You insult me. Okay, you come here. After a long time. Okay, you write... The first message that you write is negative. And it's like, oh, did you finally switch to Unity? Because you suck ass. No. That's not how that works, mate. No. I want you to apologize, okay? I have a tea with me today, guys, because I'm still sick from yesterday. My name on YouTube. Hello there, sir. Okay, amazing. And what does the demo say? Charts. Huh, interesting. Only had a 5-player peak, but hey, it's not been... What the hell? It's been out for over a year. It's only a 5-player... Wait, how long has this game been out for? What the hell? Wait a minute. Oh my god, I just saw that. Wait. What? It's been out longer than... No, wait, it's actually as long as my game. What the hell? 5-year club, yeah. This is crazy. It's actually been out longer than my game. Oh my. Yeah, I thought like... I didn't look at the graph here. I was like, okay, it's gonna be a year or a couple of months. But this has been 5 years, bro. Holy... I mean, it's understandable that the game looks that great after 5 years, because you learn so much. I don't like this part here, but otherwise, man, it looks amazing. Yeah, this is a little too bright. I don't know, this looks to me like, you know these types of lights that you have in garages or in these either filthy areas or very, 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 very clean areas? Like in bathrooms, and you have this bright-ass light, like this disgusting white light instead of yellow light, especially in bathrooms. I hate those. Damn, that looks good. Yeah, I mean, I wish him good luck. I think he definitely spent a lot of time in the game. He obviously loves bloom. But hey, cool. Okay, so that's Foxtail. That's not the same type of game we make. But okay, like, guys, Red Fox is gonna sell regardless, because it's cute. What is this? Okay. Single player. Oh, I could see this selling well. It's like some of those papers, please thing. Detective puzzle adventure. Oh, this is a type of game that Queso could play. Wait, did we just watch like 2 trailers or was it 1? Wait, we watched 2 trailers. What the hell? Okay. What do we have here? Your game looks better, Cakes? Oh, I appreciate that, my man. Appreciate. What a nice message. Oh, all-time player peak 21. Yeah. That is the demo. Is that a page? It's actually a demo page. I wonder when he turned this into a demo page. I don't think it's been the entire time a demo page. Yeah. This has got to be demo, normal demo, not demo page. Another demo to test out some more features. Private it again. I don't think this was public here. And then it's been public ever since, I think, August. Man, this guy's been farming players. That's good. For real though? Oh, here's Mr. Kurdo's second message. Seeing you're getting ready for next fest past few weeks. Good luck with it. Hope it goes well. Thank you, Kurdo. I appreciate that, man. Wow, what a nice person all of a sudden. I don't know. What happened? What happened to you, man? Bro, it's gonna be so juicy when Tangy TD gets stomped at next fest. Only 2 weeks left. Look how much work these guys put in. Tangy TD doesn't stand a chance. Shut the fuck up, bitch. Just wait. Okay? We don't know that yet. Fuck you, asshole. I saw what you did on Discord, okay? I couldn't help but laugh, but still, okay? You made the fucking thing that I leaked as your profile picture. And then you kept posting it. He literally turned that into... Oh my god. Yeah, this is a queso type game, guys. It's gonna sell a lot. And it's there's going to be a lot of players too. Yeah, 100%. Like the detective. How long has this been out for? And it's made by an actual publisher too. Let's see. Oh, it's been actually out for... Oh my god, what happened here? Is this when they got a publisher, guys? February this year. Is that the publisher boost? 100%. Even though they had 7,000 wish lists before this. And I suppose that's when they went in and asked the publisher, and boom. Look at that. Who is this publisher? Raw Fury Games. Never seen that before. Oh, I see. They always publish the same type of... Oh, wow. That looks great. What is this? No user reviews? So, demo. Coming soon. Oh, wow. 6,000 followers. That looks great, too. Is that a Vampire Survivors type game? Crafty building? Survival tower defense city builder. Oh yeah. That looks great too. Holy. And the demo is an actual page. Oh yeah. Yeah, that one's farming. Oh yeah, they're farming. Holy. Yep. I don't stand a chance against that guy. Yeah, no way. Absolutely not. Yeah, I saw like a rough competition, guys. These guys don't even need followers. The tower moves. I'm excited for this. The tower moves. Wait, is it really? Wait a minute. Which one did I just click? Shit. The tower moves. Monsters are coming. No, wait. Monsters. The tower moves. You need to react to this, Cakez. What is this? It's 33 minutes, man. Their games failed. What did they learn? Yeah, we'll watch that at some point, but 30 minutes... Can the Tangies move, please? You mean placing Tangies in different locations once I put them down? That one is awesome. You need to check it out. Monsters are coming, yeah? I need to check it out. Okay, I'll keep that. Monsters are coming. Rock Road. Rock and Road, okay. Curate tidy. Like, whenever I press this link, these guys will understand where it comes from. So I'd rather save these links. I don't want to give them any faults. Yeah, let me see here. So let me close some of these keys. Save? Yes. I've leaked enough keys. TCAP, I wanted to give you a demo key too, if you want to, by the way. What the hell? Oh shit, I didn't get pulled. Oh no. Shit. I gotta get pulled. I don't know if I'll be able to check this out. Craft. T-Buildy TD. Give me a sec, I need to go to GitHub. Quickly get that text that I wrote. Delicious. Master, then switch to global skill tree branch. Demo to-do list. Actually not like that. Go to commits. And I did a commit. Edit Reddit text. Yeah, I added a Reddit text. I wonder if I could just copy that. There we go. Because we're gonna do Reddit posts soon, guys. For next fest to get some traction to the game, hopefully. Oh my god, is that bad. That is so badly formatted, I can't believe it. And I don't give a fuck what you guys think, if it's cringe or not. That's literally what I think. But hey. For some feedback, because there we go. Oh my god, what did they do with this text, man? There we go. This was like that. There we go. And then... oh my god. Okay. Yeah, I prepared this tonight, this morning. But I forgot to git pull when I was here. Alright, good. Save that. Nice.
Fuck Cakez.
You do this to... you literally have an option to download via raw file. You do this to yourself? Yeah, maybe. Okay, so I wrote this down as well. As a tower defense game to try. Over here. We'll see if we play that. I already played your demo, little bro. You gave me a bunch of keys. Okay, yeah. Will Cakes work on a new game after this? It depends how good we are doing on next fest. I hope this guy is not in the next fest, because then it'll be... these guys will most likely be the number ones on the next fest then. Because the game looks way too amazing for that. It's low poly, high quality art. Really good stuff. And their demo page is doing very well. 200 reviews. Let's see what they say. 15 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 14 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours, 1.6 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours, 4 hours. So about 4 hours. Really fun single tower defense game, but for some reason uses an anti-cheat that requires a separate install. Weird, and it wasn't disclosed at the store page. Thumbs down for bloatware and deception. Ooh. What are they saying about when it's positive? Incredibly fun demo, easy to see where the game is going, and complexity they have planned in the full launch. My friend will likely be top 10 with his not safe for work game. Cakes, when will you play one of the games you used as inspiration? Teamfight Tactics. I'm not gonna play Teamfight Tactics. I don't think I'll learn anything by doing that, to be honest. I do not see a reason to play Teamfight Tactics. Give me a reason. Other than just playing it for fun. Right? Alright, let's see. So that was this game here. And the publisher that we looked at, and then we went to the tower defense game, which I always check out tower defense games. But yeah, this game will most likely be at the top. At least close. That looks good. Okay, let's see next. Quarked up. Okay. That does not look that great, to be honest. Quarked up, ominous, clean, fix, escape, demo. It looks very tedious, to be honest, but maybe I'm wrong. Okay, let's see, trailer. What the hell are these cuts, man? That's just way too much. That's even worse than gnomes. And you're walking on a round planet, but why? What are you doing? You're cleaning now? Why are you cleaning? Are you managing something? Adventure, story-rich exploration, sci-fi. I don't know about that. Chat, give this a scale of 1 to 10. What do you guys think? Trash game? Oh wow, you harsh, man. 10, 0, 1, -1. Better than yours, but why? Okay, Cakez, come on now. Yeah, why? 10 will go viral? Okay, you guys are wrong. Alright, next. What is that? Interesting. Okay. Oh, that looks interesting. Okay. That was cool. Oh, this guy likes story too. That looks really good. Damn. Wow. I wonder what type of art that is. It's obviously pixel art, but different pixel art. Interesting. Like we have real pixel art here and then like this double line pixel art. Hand drawn. You sure? It looks like pixel art to me. Natural, it's paint with extension. Holy, that looks good. What do you do in the game though? What is this game about? Early access Souls-like. Aha! A Souls-like game. Let's see. Huh? Oh wow, that's a lot of text. Crazy. Okay. Oh, that's a boss. Why did you not show more of the boss? Damn, how does this guy have so many wish lists? I saw this like, I think, yeah, 1,500 wish lists. 15,000 wish lists, sorry. Not 1,500. Unity?
Demo out? Check. Mixed review? Check. Doesn't work on AMD? Check.
He's just beta,
game?
Unity.
Check.
Shut
UI
up.
bugs? Check. Yapping all day? Check.
Coming soon to early access. Okay. Holy, how long has this been in development? That looks good, guys. It's definitely better than my game. Oh, wow. Look how fast it gained wishlists. Already 2,000 after... Oh, almost a year. 2,000 wishlists. Oh, this game has 45k and Kickstarter. I wonder what happened here. How many wishlists have you got? 1,200? That's what I have. Let me check YouTube. I feel like it didn't update chat. Okay, just no one typed. I wonder what happened on these bums. One of them is gonna be Kickstarter. It's a Souls-like game. Man, these bums are crazy. Like, at some point, like, I wonder what he did there. Looks like boosts. You know, if you're... It's quite funny. When you see this graph, right, on something like... on a Twitch stream, for example, it's obviously bots, right? But here, it can't be bots. So I wonder what it is. He probably leaked freakies. Okay. Coming soon. Coming 2025 to Steam. And he's now participating in Next Fest. Bruh, let's look at some of these announcements. What did he do? Patch notes? Patch notes? How often? A week ago, Thursday. May. Act 1 announcement. What? 12 to 15 hours of content? That much? Holy. Jake. That's crazy. There's over 48 people who gave PogoStuck, who have PogoStuck wishlisted still. Maybe my discount should be bigger, not as not many are buying. Well, how much are you how much are you discounting your game for? I'm not gonna make a Reddit post about the key leak, Mr. TCAP, bro. Why would I do that? Who cares? One of my favorite upcoming games is coming to... Oh my god, that looks crazy. It might come to Steam Next Fest, this game here. Let's see. This would also be my competition. Yeah, where would I rank then, man? I guess at the bottom, huh? Oh wow, pixel art. My god, does that look good? Holy shit, how? That looks insane, bruh. Crazy. I wonder if it's hand-placed. Guys, do you think this is hand-placed? Or some sort of algorithm used here? What do you think? Like, how did they even do that? Is that actual fork? I don't think it is. I think it's baked into the sprite. But it looks crazy good. Holy shit. Oh my god, who drew this, man? This guy is freaking Picasso. What the hell? Is that a puzzle game? Skill tree, affinity up. Why did they spend so much time making this so pretty? And then they have this dog-ass skill tree. What the hell? Did they run out of budget? What happened? Does it save the leaderboard every round? No, every second round. Shade 11, so you can push as far as you want to. Man, that looks good. Holy. It also uses bloom, by the way, but not much. It's much more subtle than the other game. Oh my god. It's... Wow. That is 700 players, and right now 35 are playing. It's an action RPG. Actually, action adventure. Let's see. I want to see the game. Oh my god, a minute 30? Oh wow. Wait, is that 3D? What is that? Wait, how did they do that? Is that actually 3D? It's 3D, right? How did they do this?
Yep.
Pixel art shader 2.5. I don't think it's 2.5D. I think it might actually be 3D. And then that could be fork. Not really, they have a height map system. Oh my god, it does look good. Bro, I can't compete with that, bro. I've gotten good at pixel art, but I'm not that. Oh my god. How the... You can't tell me that this is 2D. That's not 2D, man. Hey Cakez, hello the free code, how you doing? It's not JavaScript. What you talking about? There's no way this is JavaScript. How did they do this? It moves too much. I hate it. Stop moving so much. Here. Like, how did they do this obstacle if it's 3D? It's TypeScript. Zanarias, you're lying, bro. There's no way it's TypeScript. There's no way this is JavaScript, guys. It is? No. Custom engine? It's not JavaScript. No. No! Guys, I don't believe that. Stop. Category archives. Alabaster Dawn. It's time. Public demo. Alabaster Dawn. Public demo incoming. Demo release. March poll. A concept. Alabaster Dawn. Progress to new phase. Alabaster Dawn update of the year. How do I see that? Like, where do I see that it's a demo? That it's made in JavaScript? Huh? JavaScript and WebGPU? Crosscode, greetings. Crosscode anniversary. It's on the 6 years ago. We had our release live stream at the doc office, celebrating the release live on that very stream. Also releasing a lot of stress in the process. Click technical on the right side, Cakez. Did I click technical? Crosscode devlogs. Team green light is going. Crosscode? What is crosscode? Wait, how long have they been making this game for then? What the hell? How long has this been going for? 2024 though. Hey? What the hell? Optimizing an HTML5 game engine using composition over inheritance. Ha! Where have I heard that before? Oh, really? How to GUI system. Music and sound. Technical post as promised today. These guys have been making this game, or they have been making games for over 10 years. Holy. Architecture of crosscode overview. Architecture of crosscode. What is this? We've got several requests from readers to write more about the game, add-ons and features. However, talking about the add-ons and features might be confusing and difficult to understand without knowing the rest of crosscode's architecture. So what is crosscode? Crosscode. Wait, is that a game? Oh, it's a game. And I'm assuming it's the same type of game. Right? Let's see. Okay, obviously I can't compete with... Oh my god, can you please just stop with the story? Yeah, they already had the same type of... I hate that. Just show me the game. Oh my god, show me the game, please. Yeah, crosscode has the same idea. So it is, I guess, 2.5D or something? Huh. Their first game, yeah. Their first game, and this game was released on, oh my god, 2015, and they've been developing it for a couple of years before that. So that's why we decided a small series about the architecture of crosscode in general. The series about not concrete implementations and features, but more how the code is structured. Okay, hacking impact.js. Impact is a well-written engine. For HTML5 games with one striking advantage. It's minimalistic. Yeah, that's good. While other engines promote the creation of game without programming knowledge, which requires a large amount of features already being covered by the core engine. Impact.js is simply a very clean and basic starting point for an engine that can be expanded, okay? There are basically two approaches. Take the engine as is, write entities, code can be applied on top, rewrite major parts of the engine to do things that you want them to do, okay? The architecture. Okay, I mean, wow. I'm not going to read all of that. The architecture of crosscode. Lib game. I don't really care about the architecture. I care more about how it's composed. Like, if we see a game like this and you could see that it looks like a 3D game in pixel art, how did they do that? Right? How are... stop with the error. Steam! Cakez bug. Oh, not again. The leaderboard is off then. Well, thank you. Is that in the demo? Why is it erroring, mate? Let me fix that. Thank you, man. Oops. Yeah, thank you guys for helping with the demo stuff. And if anyone wants a key to playtest the demo and give me feedback, let me know. I'll give you a key. Leaderboard. So which was a deep forest? Yeah, it's ascending. Oh wait, was that Wolf's Den? Oh, deep forest and Wolf's Den are both ascending. They need to be descending. Yeah. Update and edit. Update. And I think I need to push. Right? Did you just die on round 2, by the way, bro? You bad? Are you bad? Round 2? What? How did that happen, mate? Cakez, if anyone needs a key, collector is selling them. Bro, I saw that. Is that real, by the way? There's no way this is real, right? This is fabricated? It is demo key? There's no way he... 11 reviews my ass? Yeah, there's no way this is actually real, man. How did you guys do that? Cakez, could I get one? A key? You really want a key? Or you're just trying to get a key so you can sell it? I can give you a key. Do you work with streamer key giver pages like Keymailer? Those services are good to deliver some keys to streamers, and in some of them you can set goals and give more keys as prizes mainly. No, I have not used those services. I'm pretty sure I would have to pay them, right? Sell it, not worth the price. I'll give you a key. Fine. You can have one. I don't think you're gonna use it, but hey, you never know, right? You never know. I gotta be careful though, not to leak anything. I already leaked enough. Here you go. There you go. Good. Let's get rid of that and that. Okay, I updated the demo. Guys, it should be good now. Okay, so... yeah, that's crazy. I gotta be honest. Can I now load this? Please? Steam! Yeah, this has got to be 3D. Just look at this. It has to be a 3D model. How can it... also, what is 2.5? Maybe it's like Path of Exile. Maybe they actually got inspired by PoE. It has to be in a way. It looks good. Damn, it looks really good, I have to say. It has to be 3D, guys. Right? Man. Man, it looks good. Okay, crazy. I mean, that's what's possible. That's good. All right. Yeah.
Fuck pirate software.
Let's move on, guys. We're spending too much time on this. Oh, this is a ragdoll game? That could be a streamer game. Just a guy. Good thumbnail. Looks clean. Positive reviews. 17. That is the demo page. I wonder how many... ah, like almost 2,000 wish lists, I would assume. Yeah. Looks very beautiful too. I can see some streamers playing this. For sure. You guys think so too, chat? Watch this, Cakez. The secret of good games. Indie Game Clinic. Bro, these are very long videos. And we'll see. Maybe. Here's a small breakdown. Small breakdown of what they did, yeah? It's trailer though. Oh, let's see. That looks interesting. I wanna hear that. It's the same system we use to animate the arms and legs of our characters.
So, how did we do the rotating trailer? Let's break it down.
What the hell?
The base frame is built using special billboards placed along a 3D skeleton.
I told you it's 3D! I said the entire time it's 3D! No, Cakez, it's not 3D, it's 2.5D!
All chat developers.
It's the same system we use to animate the arms and legs of our characters. The wooden floor is essentially just a rotated 3D mesh.
What did you say? 3D skeleton is not 3D model, null exception, shall I quote you? Huh?
And those wheels. Just a whole lot of sprites. So, how did we do?
Bro, that's not enough information, bro. Like, this is dog shit. Sorry, I'm gonna download this. This is terrible. Sorry, this is dumb. Because they just... Oh, look. This is what we do. It's a skeleton. It's that. Oh, how does it work and come together in the engine? I can't tell you that. I just know it's a skeleton, man. It's a skeleton, man. Like, what you mean skeleton? And then put a game. Import, right click. A lot of it is still 2.5D. What I'm saying is, the engine itself, the world itself, has to be 3D. Unless there's a way to it is 3D. That's what I'm saying. It is 3D. I know what a billboard is, but it's still a 3D space. That's called 3D. 3. It's not 4. Everyone said that. No, people told me it's 2.5D. What you guys talking about? It says 2.5D in their description. Don't care what their description says. They're lying to you. Where? I don't see it. I don't see a 2.5D. Oh my god, how much is that? $2.5, here it is. So basically a 3D engine, but billboards. That's what they're saying. Yeah, see, like, exactly. Thank you. Yeah, AK Elements. Thank you. Like, this guy knows. Yeah. So it is, guys, the engine is 3D, and then they have billboards. Yes, I understand how that works. Okay, interesting. So this is what I wanted to know, because I'm not denying that the game looks amazing. And I'm baffled by the fact that how did they do that? If this is a billboard here, this rock, how did they do that? The rock to the left is a billboard. Here, these, wait, this image is better. I hate that. Here. So if this rock is a billboard, right? Oh my god, this guy is so dumb. I don't even have words for this, man. This guy is such a big dummy.
Cakes, Hollow Knight, shall we say it's 3D? Cause it was made in 3D, but now the game when it's turned out is actually a 2D side-scroller game. Metroidvania, Cakes, it's so dumb.
Oh. Goodness. It's completely different, mate, what you're talking about. I'm still wondering, how did they do this? Is this... Nah. How did they do that? Collector called me a retard and fraud. He's gone for an hour. Goodbye. Download demo, use render doc. Smart idea. Chat, it's time. Good stuff. I appreciate that. Oh my god, 1.3 gigabyte. It's a JavaScript game, that's why, right? I don't need a start menu shortcut or this. Install. Yeah, we're gonna check this out. What is this? The 3D setup, presenting final, also project Terra update. Okay, let's see. No, I really like that a lot. Like, I like interesting stuff like this, cause it's like tools, right? When you learn this. Hello, everybody. Oh boy, we have something special for you today. The team has been hard at work creating amazing art, and we feel like it's about several more characters for you. That's why today we fill out. Okay, she looks great. Project Terra updates. Don't care. Buffs are provided by unique cooking, so don't give a shit. Now we finalize the design of our hut. The bottom represents healing item, top secret boss. Here. Ha! This is a 3D object. 100%. Guys, I'm gonna open up RenderDoc and it'll load this game. It'll show me a 3D world with 3D meshes inside of it. That's my prediction. What do you guys predict? Chat, predict. What will the game show us? Huh? Look at the grid. What grid? What grid you talking about? This grid? That's a 3D grid. And these are billboards. Yeah, I know what that is. Huh? I predict mixed review on Tangy. Yeah, because people are gonna falsely write negative reviews about my game. I know. I don't know what this guy means with grid, man. What do you mean? Guys, it's fine. We have just downloaded the demo. Let's play this one time. So it initializes whatever stuff it needs to initialize. Play without Steam overlay, please. Yes. Okay. It's loading. Cool logo, yeah. Oh, stop. Support it? Wait, what? New game. Oh, it makes me... It looks like a JRPG, man. If you are agreeing to enable analytics, the game will send anonymous stats of your playthrough over the internet, supporting future development. Ah, so they actually have a server. Because Steam does that anyways, but you don't have to have this game analytics thing. Okay, so they must have a server. I'm gonna disable that. I'm not gonna give them any helpful information anyways. I don't care. I don't care. Don't care. Yeah, that's what I care about. Man, it looks amazing. Yeah, it's 3D worlds. I already know. Billboards shaking. Interesting. I want to try that in the future. Make such an engine. Neek's arrival. She arrived. Okay, rip. Yeah. It's over. GG's. Make such an engine, Cakes? Yeah, would be great. I definitely want to do something like that for sure. Yeah. What the hell? I was clicking outside and it stopped. Okay, let's see. Does it stop indefinitely? Oh, it does. Wow. Okay, I wonder how they did that. Have a nice day. Oh, there's a lot more stuff. Jaden on YouTube. Hello there. Good cheeseburgers. SLT. And yeah, thank you guys. Paleros on YouTube. Have a nice day, you guys too. Okay, are we done yet with the intro, man? Can we begin, please? Click to continue. Oh no, it starts with action. And I need to close the game. We are finished here. Oh, I don't care. Oh, I hate that. Stop talking. Get me in the air. Shut up. Oh my god. Sorry, I apologize. I don't like talking in the beginning of the game. Ah, that's me. Okay. Let's see. Let me test. Yeah, guys, it's a 3D world. And this is a billboard that I'm looking at right now. This is also a billboard. And then this has to be a billboard too, because it's drawn on top of this. I wonder, can I jump? Can I jump up here? How do I move? Can I not move? Up this? Alright guys, so this is where we quit. Can we save? Title. Content. Tangy TD gives you 2 texts and it shows you exactly what to do. It doesn't give you any story. It just says, place a defender to defend yourself, bro. And you need that, you dummies, okay? What a bunch of idiots. Launch application. So, let's see. Let us find the Steam game. Alabasta. Best arc in One Piece, by the way. Please let me launch it, bro. Let me launch it. Yes! Wait. It doesn't look like it launched it. I don't think it's connecting to it, is it? Why are you playing this? Because of the engine. I want to understand the engine. I'm doing research about it because I find it interesting. It is? No, it's not. It doesn't show me any of the... You can inspect element. You gotta play. No, guys. Oh, no. Connection status established. Okay. Why can I not make screenshots then? Oh gosh. I can't make screenshots, guys. We are not connected. Unless I can't make screenshots because it's an HTML5 game. Just right click, inspect element. See what divs they used. Guys, I don't think I can inspect the engine because it's an HTML engine. Maybe. Close the game, you're gonna see. But I need to make screenshots to do that, man. It doesn't have anything in terms of screenshots. Because HTML still uses graphics APIs to render stuff. Well, apparently this one does something else. So what do we do? I can't load it. RenderDoc might not support it, yeah. I mean, I can update. Maybe that helps. Don't think so, though. I'm doing this to learn, man. I find it interesting. Just ignore the game and work on the demo. I've been doing this for the past million years, bro. I need a small break, and I find that really interesting. We're checking out the competition, and this is not the competition, but still a good game. Okay, let's see render doc. Man, I want to inspect this. Shit, bro. I can't. It's connected, but it's not API none. Shit. I cannot make... Wait, maybe. Try something. I have this Intel performance monitor, graphics monitor. Maybe we can use that. I can also do stuff here. Start. Oh! Oh, that works, I think. Oh, it does work, I think. See, this is what I was missing on RenderDoc. But for Intel, it does work. And if I do... I think it's F12. Did it do a screenshot? Did not do a screenshot. Shit. How did I do a screenshot again? It's like some dumbass combination here. Oh, where are the screenshots again? Oh my god. Oh, options. Capture target frame. No, wait. Shortcuts. F12. Oh, it captured one, I think. Right, just continue. You gotta pay for screenshot. Oh god, do I have to go through this every time? Oh, that's a not. Oh my god, it just fast forwards. I gotta be honest, that's a bit tedious, but okay, fine. Alright, let's do a screenshot. I wonder if it does save screenshots. It doesn't look like it does. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alright, let's see. Hopefully it did save some screenshots. It doesn't save screenshots. What the hell is that? No sandbox GPU process, force high. That doesn't seem to work. I can make screenshots. Windows Shift S? No, not like that. We need to actually capture a screenshot in the application. Below says start. I know, but that won't work. It's the same as this start button here. Disable features Vulkan. What did they put there? Prefetch too. Kejo, thank you very much for following, and Rocco as well. Ah, this sucks. It's a bit annoying. How can I make a screenshot? Just gotta figure out a way to make a screenshot and we're good. Can we do that? Frame. I don't know. Is there no option here? It doesn't allow me to make a screenshot. It's annoying. Shit. Windows post print screen. No, it doesn't make screenshots here. It should show them here. Shit, man. Frame VK. Windows Shift S. Bro, it needs to be a screenshot through the application. Triggers. Capture frame. Retrigger in 60 seconds. Off. When aggregated GPU. Nah. Oh yeah, my mom could figure this out. How about you try that? Capture trace. Control Shift T. It doesn't capture anything. DirectX 11. That's what it's using. It's not capturing anything. Chromium uses DirectX 11. Shit, man. I can't make it take picture. And then it takes these things. What is that? Shit. Why do you need a picture? So if I take a picture of the game, this is what happens. It'll then show here to the right, and I can inspect the different draw calls. And that's all I need to understand how the game works. I don't need to read an article on something. I just need to know how something is drawn. It has nothing to do with permissions. The game is doing something that this application cannot understand. And when I have one of these screenshots, I can then double click them, and they need to be taken through the application. I can then double click them, and you can see here that one of those screenshots from Stardew Valley, for example, I can go ahead, when this loads, I could go ahead and see how the game is being drawn piece by piece, right? And we could do original, which gets rid of the purple stuff you can see here, right? How slowly the entire frame is built. Stardew Valley is sorted. Every single thing that you see in Stardew Valley is sorted, if that makes sense. So you can see here that it builds the entire frame from top to bottom, so that whenever the player moves behind something, it's that. Try Vulcan, maybe it did. So yeah, and then it draws the interior, and then it draws the UI at the end. You see this here? Blah, blah, blah. Slowly draws this. Puts all of this stuff together and then blends it together in the last frame, the final result. Like this, boom. RenderDoc might work when you use the global process hook. The global process hook. How does that work? Explain to me what I need to do there. Never done that before. Do I launch an application or what do I do? You have to enable it in the settings. Okay. I need to drink something. I'm still sick, guys, so I can't talk much. Global process hook. Where can I find that? Core? Fourth setting from the bottom. Always. Am I too dumb? 3 settings higher. I'm just too dumb, bro. I'm too dumb. I can't see it. Where is it? Enable process injection. I skipped the analytics part. Ah, be careful. Allow. Okay. Do I need to restart? Okay, and what now? What do I do exactly? I start the game without RenderDoc or with RenderDoc? Global hooking requires an executable path. Enable global hook is risky. Be sure you know what you're doing. I don't know what I'm doing, but AQ knows what he's doing. RenderDoc needs to restart with administrator privileges. Restart? Yeah, that's okay. Yeah, you can take my entire cryptocurrency. I have 0. Global hooking. Okay, emergency restore. Load. And what now? I can't launch. Launch application? I just start the game through Steam. Okay. Play with overlay. Warning, this might default to low performance graphics. Huh. Please work, man. Please work. Please work. Please work. Please work. Please, I just want to see how they draw this stuff, man. It's so interesting. Come on. Uh-oh. Are you gonna start or not? Please start. No? Yes? You gonna start or not? I think RenderDoc is slowing it down, chat. Oh! It's slow! Oh god. I have a white window to the right. Oh my god, is that slow? Please don't die, computer, okay? I can't afford that right now. You good? Oh? Meh. Yeah? We are waiting. We are waiting. Come on! I'm waiting on this. How's that so slow? Really, this is a black texture, bro? Yeah, just wait. Is it doing anything or not? Keep waiting for 5 more minutes, please. I need to wrap up my assignment. Is anything supposed to happen? And how long am I supposed to wait on this? $30 minutes? I have too many things. Let's unpin this. Task manager. Shit. Uh-oh. Oh no. It's not doing anything. Both of them are doing nothing. It's beaming the render codes directly to your brain. Yeah, Johnny. Oh, yeah. Huh? I don't think that worked.
What the fuck?
I think it stopped. Maybe it's because I moved it. Should I try again? Uh-oh. Oh shit. Uh-oh. Oh no. Hello? Now it's doing something. Oh! Holy, that bricked my audio. But that happens a lot, so that's fine. We try again. Okay, I'm not gonna do anything this time, okay? Disable global hook, enable global hook. Okay. Play. Not gonna do anything this time. But I don't think it works. Just take the L, bro, and move on. Yeah, I guess. Seems it didn't work. It doesn't work. Yeah. Well, Sag. Because this is, in my opinion, this is the most interesting part about the entire game. I've seen like games like that before, but not the graphic stuff, like for the 2D. I would just like to know how they did it, that's all, man. I just want to know! Come on, please! Wait, it's doing something. Maybe this time? No? I don't think it's gonna work. Shit, man. And then, see, like, their posts are great, the technical stuff, but the most important stuff is not what they're talking about. How is the engine drawing things? I don't give a fuck about movement physics in an already thing. God damn it. What are you doing? I'm looking at a game that I find interesting. And we started out by checking the competitors that are taking part in Steam Next Fest. For example, this game right here. This is like a streamer type of game. I'm just gonna wait. Maybe at some point it'll start. And we're just gonna move on. So yeah, that was the last game we saw. Just a guy. It has, I think, how much was it? 15 players on the demo, and it had about, well, 2,000 wish lists. So not bad. Partaking in Steam Next Fest. And then we have this game, Bittersweet Birthday. Pixel graphics. Like, all of these games. Okay, this one does not look that great. Nah, is that like a filter put on top? I feel like it works against it this time, but okay. Oh, wow. It has 9,000 reviews. Sorry, wish lists. That's crazy. What happened here? What the hell? What's with these people? Like, what happened here? Huh? Did you send the emails? Oh, yeah, I did send the emails. Yeah. They have a publisher. I think it's gotta be the publisher here, guys. This publisher. Oh, I got an email from these guys. Actually. Yeah. It has to be this guy. Oh, yeah, it's this game here. That looks good too. Well, not really hack and slash, Souls-like, bullet hell. Let's see. We were watching the trailer. But I feel like the trailer was so short. Is it just me? Like, so slow? No, they wrote me an email to test out the game on Steam Next Fest, I think. Or test out the demo, claim like a key for it. Like stuff that I did. Okay, this is actual gameplay. Oh, it's a bullet hell. Yeah, I just saw that. That's cool stuff. Oh god, I hate that. Oh damn, that looks good. Follower to wishlist ratio is 10 to 12, is an average taken from known data. You already got job offers for Gamedev? No, I have not. And you're wrong, I can work in a team. What you talking about? Okay, I don't know. Like, this is not the type of game. I feel like I should check out the tower defense games, guys. Not go. Oh wow, what is that? Karen? You literally have a game called Karen? And then you have a woman in there? Bro, what? Borderlands? Yeah, looks like Borderlands. Oh my god. Overwhelmingly positive? What the hell? Did I misread that? Cairn. Okay, it's Cairn. Carn. So I mistalked, misread. I apologize. Okay, it's a climbing game. Story-driven climbing game, or what is it? Let's look at the trailer. This is not actual. I hate that, man. This is not actual game. This is gameplay, is it? Okay, so this. Oh wow. Okay. Wait, do you actually have to micromanage this? Like in a difficult game about climbing? Do you actually have to move all of these separate limbs individually? Lol, she fell. That's not how that works. The rope doesn't bend like that, bro. What? Using a rope? Cheating? Yeah, how about you go climbing like... Okay, yeah, sure. You're doing push-ups at the end of a day? There's no way you do that. That's a lie. Dude's clueless? What do you mean? You gonna do that? You gonna go without ropes? Yeah? Come on. Try that. I'm gonna see you try. That looks interesting. Damn. Also the view, bro. What the hell? So I guess that's what you're... Attempt your first ascent with Ava and Tenzin. Mountain ridge. Climbing anywhere. And plan your route carefully. Managing... Oh, wow. Pitons. Whatever pitons is. And resources as you explore the mountain. Hone your skills before the ascent of unforgiving Mount Kami. Wait, Mount Kami? Isn't that called God? Kami in Japanese is God. Mount Kami. So when you get here, you're gonna meet God, guys. Holy shit, man. 3,000 overwhelmingly positive reviews for the demo. Yeah, this one's gonna cook, guys. We lost. It's over, by the way. Wait, only 1 hour? 1 hour? 0.5 hours? 1 hour? 6 hours? 4 hours? 1 hour? 1 hour? Why is it so low in terms of playtime? Maybe there's not enough content? 5 hours? 3 hours? 6 hours? Actually, 3 hours. Why does it only show me like 5 reviews? What the hell? I hate this your languages filter, man. Shut up! 6,000 reviews. Bruh. That's crazy. I guess I should do your language, huh? Russian is the second one. English. Overwhelmingly positive. Wait. Spain is very positive and Chinese is very positive, but probably because of the translation. Are you gonna give 3D World someday, Cakez? Yes, I will. Yeah, for sure. Of course. Wow. Oh my god. Like, these guys already won the lottery, bro. I'm telling you guys. That's crazy. Wow, that's a lot of players. For a demo? The game was shown at some of the summer game fests, yeah. Can I see the performance section? Your GPU may not support the game. Oh, my GPU supports the game. We're just trying to run it through RenderDoc, which seems to not work. We're trying to hook into the game using RenderDoc, and apparently that does not work. Yeah, it's not working, guys. XQC quit it. Oh my god, please load. What's going on here? Wait, we get rid of that. Yeah, unfortunately, I just saw another option though. Settings. It enables process injection. We could try that, and it requires a restart too. I want to test that. How do we inject ourselves into a process? Attach to running instance. Okay, I want to try one more time if I cannot just play this game and then attach myself. The game is 2D though, Cakes. I found a dev stream and they use layers and parallax effects. Show me. I want to see that. I don't believe it's 2D. The climbing game is a solo project too, yeah? Oh, I hate that cutscene. Every time, bro. It bugged out. Hey! Okay, let's try to inject. Attach to running instance. I never understood how this worked. Local host. That doesn't make any sense. Host name? Eh? Hello everyone. Hello there, Antonio. Good morning. YouTube? Watch. Okay, let's see. NWJS. NWJS. I don't know what that is. I just do not understand the hooking into it. Shouldn't it show me processes to attach, inject into process? Ah! Oh. Great. Yeah, that's not one. To inject during the context creation, otherwise it won't. Yeah, great. Well, it's over. Whatever. Like this. I hate that, man. I really love seeing these things, but maybe this works. All right, let's see. So this is a dev stream of these guys. Of them making the game. 3 hours, okay.
The magic about OpenGL is I actually had to do something OpenGL related for parallax.
But this doesn't look 2D, man. This is a 3D object.
Again, and the first thing that always happens when you do something with WebGL is you don't see anything. And now try to figure out why you don't see anything, because there can be so many things. You don't get error messages.
You see the pillar from the bottom to the top.
There's so many ways you can do something wrong, and that's why you don't see anything. For me, it was actually very stupid. I just cleared something after I was rendering the parallax thing, so obviously I didn't see anything.
See, actually changing something on the map?
There could have been a lot of other issues.
Do something.
Yeah.
With DirectX, they're actually really
Hopefully
cool
no one asked my question while I'm gone. Back in an hour. Alright. Yeah.
With
This is a
DirectX,
3D object, man. Like, explain to me the side part of this then. If it's not a 3D object. Shader? What you talking about, bro? This is a 3D room. It's a 3D object that looks like it's 2D because of the camera. It's not done via the shader. That was too much work. It's a parallax effect. This doesn't explain anything, sorry. No, it just does not explain anything.
have actually really cool tools.
And he's not doing anything, he's just talking.
Debug the shader code.
He's just moving around here.
Similar to how you would debug CPU code. You can go step by step.
Where can you do that?
With DirectX. DirectX
Oh,
has,
yeah.
a debug API, basically.
Oh, okay.
Oh my
That's
God,
like
okay.
useful.
Yeah, you can render out every step.
Okay, blah, blah, blah.
Go step by step, and it's really cool.
Still could be a parallax shader.
Really small.
Yeah,
Nah, I
both
don't
is
think so.
technology,
Sorry,
agree.
I just do not think so.
But we got other cool stuff. We got the
Yeah,
website.
he just rotated it. It's not. You guys are lying. Rotate it. Rotate it again. Parallax backgrounds. That's something else, guys. Rotate it, brother. Did I not go back far enough? Fuck, I need to increase the speed because I don't know when he rotates. Rotate it. Bro, you rotated it before. Come on. Rotate it. Fuck, I lost the spot where he did it. Huh? There it was. .5% speed. I guess I'm gonna figure this out. I don't care. Okay, we'll spend all stream on that if we have to.
Am I so out of touch?
Okay, copy.
No.
Current time.
LazyDef 666 just subscribed.
There it is. You mean to tell me that this is not 3D? Stop lying. Stop gulping, okay? This is a 3D object. He literally places a very tall object in the game. It is not 2D. You will not be able to rotate it like that if it was 2D. That's not how that works. Oh my god, you guys are so stupid. It's insane. I need a break. These guys are dumb. Oops.
So, Mr. Das sieht's mir das! Das sieht's mir das!
How can this application be so dumb? It never... No, I don't want to deal with this right now. I have... No, this is fucking... Thank God I'm back. No!
Ekant.
Okay, so we figured it out. It is a 3D object in a game. Someone putting his dick in water? What is this? What the fuck? And they are able to rotate it, and they put stuff.
Don't even think about
in
it,
a
guys.
3D
Mr.
box to make it
Cakez77,
look
the
2D.
famous Twitch gentleman. The first
And you know, not necessarily doesn't look textured. Looks like it's only samples multiple times. AQ, it is 3D. You know why? Because it's literally the way Core Keeper works too. It's the same idea. Watch. This is Core Keeper, guys. It's the same idea. It's the same thing. You can do this with ray marching. Bro, this is HTML. Are they gonna show how it's 3D? Or not? Yeah, they're not gonna show. Okay. Whatever. That's Unity. I know. Oh my god, these guys are stupid. It's insane. Okay, whatever. Yeah, it has to be the same as Core Keeper. So these two trees. Wait, let's see what happens to the trees. Let's go frame by frame. They face the camera. Oh, bro. You think they rotate? They always face the camera? Yeah, they do. So these are billboards. These are billboards and these are physical objects. That's what it is, guys. And I'm not changing my opinion on this unless someone gives me proof that it's otherwise. I'm tired. Let's move on. There's a slight parallax in the tree as well. .3D would be harder to make tile sets for. Parallax would work with just 2D sprites. Day 13 of asking for reacts. How many days are you going to increase every time, man? You said 11 days, you said 3 days before that, and now you're saying 13 days. How many days is it really, man? Cake Street feedback fix game. Yeah, we will do this in a second, man. I need a small break, bruh. Okay? I've been coding and working and doing shit the entire time. And then Zoe woke me up at 5 AM today, okay? 3D would be easier, but I wouldn't be surprised if they generate their height fills. Guys, it's a 3D game. Okay, stop. Anyways, climbing game. Cool. Yeah, just a ragdoll. Yeah, this is... And what leads me to believe that is because this is a 3D object, guys.
And those were
Yeah.
just a rotated 3D mesh.
Rotated 3D mesh texture too. So, guys, I've made a 3D tile set. It's way worse than a 2D one. It's very easy to have gaps, I guess. But what if you render the game as such a small area that you can't have gaps? Floating point and precision is an issue. I see. Well, if someone can provide me with like a tech demo of the game would be great. This is not explaining how the background comes to be. It's just... I like these posts, but unfortunately it's missing the... It's like showing the cake when you put the sahne on top, but it's not showing how the base of the cake and the layers are made, essentially. Let's skip cover. Yeah, it's guesswork. Okay, so this is another good game. Oh my god. Okay, what is this? Oh, Resident Evil. Wow, cool. Looks amazing. I like that. Golly. Oh, wow. It's only 6-time player peak. Maybe this guy's indie.io. What is that? Seems to be a publisher. Oh, wow. Human. Okay, yeah. Interesting. What about Phobia? Something Phobia. Oh, wow. 4,000 wish lists. Man, all of these guys are farming. It's crazy. Yeah, that's the publisher. So they were sitting at 1,500 wish lists. That's gotta be Indie.io, I would assume. Cool. Okay. I wanna look at tower defense games though. The competition on tower defense games. This is not really the type of game that I wanna compete with. Because it's different genres, right? What is this? Pixel graphics strategy. That one is somewhat competitive with me, I guess. Oh, what is that? Okay. Pixel graphics single player loot. And you're playing a car? Okay. Oh, that doesn't look too good, but maybe I'm wrong. Is this the new Undertale? What is this? Bonky Odyssey. Okay, single player. At least the trailer is a bit short. That's great. Single player rhythm. You know what pisses me off, chat? Oh my god, what is this trailer? It's so laggy. What? That's an Unreal Engine game by someone who's not experienced with Unreal Engine. Oof. Rough. Why is there not a single tower defense game on this list, chat? Why is it only RPG games, Souls-like hack and slay games? It is the biggest thing to discover shit on, and it puts only those asshole games there, okay? Those asshole games, what I mean by those is putting big tags on your game and you're saying Souls-like. Use search tree? No, I'm not using the search. I'm using what a dumb user would use, which is this big, fat thing to interact with at the very top. Okay, when you scroll down, you're using the big fat thing, okay? Most people. Projecting? No, most people will use that. Oh, Road to Vostok is also part of it, guys. The Godot game. Damn. I'm always scrolling down.
I'm always scrolling down, Cakes. So it's not true that people do that, because when I do it, everyone else is doing it too, because you're so long, man.
Guys, most people will engage with this first. That is objectively true. It is not true that people scroll down. That's why it's so big. Back up your argument. Listen, man, I could put a monkey in front of this and they will engage with this first. What you talking about, bro? I don't need to back up anything. Oh, what is that? Game about cats? Desktop adventure? Oh! Tower defense? Wait a minute, chat. Let's look at Road to Vostok, man. This guy's far. Oh my. What? The game has 61,000 followers? Holy, what happened? Does this guy have a publisher? Yeah, it's huge. And it's just one guy, isn't it? I've made a good dog too. Did he have a demo art? Let's see. Chat, imagine this. This guy has so many followers and wish lists. This guy's like farming crazy, right? He never made a public demo for people to playtest. He releases the game. It's a buggy mess. Shit breaks all the time. Completely imbalanced. I just said imagine! Oh my god. I guess he has so many people wanting to play the games that he has to go and select who gets to play, right? Switching from Unity to Godot downgraded the graphics a lot. Really? Do you have a screenshot of Unity graphics? It still looks amazing for Godot, I gotta be honest. Cause Godot... I mean, you can see here to the left, right? You can see it. I know the guys that are doing devlogs on YouTube. That's why I know him, yeah. Real McAfee, hello there. How you doing, man? Der sammelt seit Ewigkeiten Wishlist und macht das alles alleine. I know, yeah. He's doing it solo. How long has the game been out for on Steam, actually? Let's see. This guy's amazing, yeah. I mean, he's been farming wishlists not as long as I have, actually. Look it up yourself. I already forgot what I asked for, man. Well, I already forgot the question I asked 2 seconds ago, bro. I don't know. What did I ask? No, honestly, what did I ask? What was it? Where does your game appear in this? Nowhere. It's not day 22. Stop lying, man. What is this? How's this a tower defense game, man? Huh? This. Let's see. Wishlist now, join us. What the hell? Isn't a desktop game supposed to play itself or something? What the hell? It looks a bit tedious, to be honest, but maybe I'm wrong. What the hell? I thought you would have... Why are you putting cats on there? I feel like actual towers would be cooler. I hate those games, yeah, but they work. These desktop games. Okay. What is this? Oh. That looks like a typical Unreal Engine game, man. Or maybe Unity, but it looks so much like Unreal Engine. Chat. Unreal Engine or Unity? It's gotta be Unreal Engine, 100%. Unity? Unity? Unreal, neither? There's no way it's neither, bro. It has a distinctive Unreal Engine look. Let's see. It just doesn't say. Great. 8 gigabytes of RAM. It doesn't say if it's Unity or Unreal Engine, I guess. Oh, well, it's gotta be one of the two, though. How many wishlists you got, bro? How much is it? What's the game? Oh, it is the game. I see. Wow, 5 wishlists. 50 wishlists, something like that. For how long have you been farming, man? Is it worse than me? March? Oh, God. I feel sorry for this guy. But I guess it's a learning experience. Yeah, this game not doing too hot. Now you can see the resemblance and the poor quality. Even if you add bloom to this, you can clearly see the materials of those meshes and stuff. They just don't work together. It's all preset. It's Unreal. SteamDB info, yeah. Unreal Engine, yeah. Sad. Okay, I mean, yeah, that game won't do too hot, I think. Oh, positive. Because it has a smiley face. Okay. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. Oh, wow. That reminds me of Pacific Rim. Anyone in chat watch the video? The movie? Pacific Rim? I love those movies, man. I just love big mech robots, bro. And Pacific Rim, for me, Pacific Rim was Transformers, but in much cooler. Because the robots were just so fucking large, man. Makes me want to watch it again, actually. Awesome. I look at the size of these. Damn. Looks a bit cheap, but hey. Yeah. Looking good. Next. Oof. Oof. Milk. Is that milk? Oh, skeleton needs milk, huh? Does make sense. Yeah, it looks cheap. What can I say? It looks really cheap. And it looks like the art styles... I mean, it does kind of match here. But I feel like the skeleton doesn't fit into the art style. Am I wrong? Chat? I feel like the skeleton is too detailed compared to the other stuff. But at least he makes his own art. I don't think it's AI. How long has this been out for? Bonnie Odyssey. Oof, 170 wishlists maybe. Not look on tour. I feel like this guy went in too early if he released. Yeah, March this year. He should have done a playtest maybe. Maybe he didn't. But yeah. I don't think... I feel like the appeal is just not there. What do you guys think? Your game if you made a platformer? No, my game would look better. And I'm not saying that lightly. It would look better. It's another 2D side-scroller. It's another 2D side-scroller. Doesn't offer anything specific, yeah. Celeste clone looks better than this. You're wrong. What is this? Hey, decent followers. Flag the green. This is trying to be Undertale, isn't it? 100%. Multiple choices. Multiple endings. I don't like the art style, but that doesn't mean it's bad. It's just not for me, of course. And I don't like these types of games anyways, but yeah. Okay. It's a game, I guess. Cartoony, underground, female protagonist. Oh, you're gonna put that as a tag there too? Okay. Oh my god, this guy has the same issue I have. He's getting no wish lists. Oof. That was looking rough, bro. I wonder what happened here. Look at this. This all of a sudden, it's like such a big spike in wish lists. Way before... What happened here? Like, how did that happen? I never had that for my game. Let's see. Tangy TD. Look. It's just been, like, it's been going up a bit more as I updated the game, right? But, hey. Bro, it's such a slow... Maybe he posted somewhere. Yeah, maybe he posted, you're right. Could be like a Reddit post. Maybe it's even like this Jordan Prelokin. Who's that? Is that the same guy? It's the same guy. Okay, so it's not a publisher. There could be posts. Shall we look? Nah, whatever. It's fine. Okay, check the next one. That one looks... Oh my god, is that another 3D game that is you doing 3D and 2D at the same time, like Core Keeper? But it looks bad. Yeah. I mean, that would be my first attempt at something like that. That was a joke. Twitch ban protection. Yeah, hey, TCAP, you gotta be careful. They got you on the list, man. You gotta be careful, okay? Don't say anything wrong, okay? They're scanning you. Yeah, it looks bad because this is... That's not how pixel art would look. Rotated. It looks so off. Oof. Rough. This looks amazing. And then you have this shitty... Okay, I guess... Wow, it still works for them? Bruh. Okay, I hate it. Oh, I hate it. Oh, it looks so ugly. I think it looks good. I hate it though. Nah, for me, it's just not. But hey, it seems to work for them. Apparently. Much better than for my game. What is this type of game? Single player look exploration. 2.5D. See guys, I told you so. This is a 3D fucking mesh that uses pixel art as a texture, and then you have billboards that move around. This game makes it super obvious that it's that. Told you guys, that's how you do 2.5D. And you know what? Whenever I'm done with my game and we have time to implement something like that, we're gonna do that. And then I'll prove you guys wrong. And then, when I do that, I expect an apology. Okay? From every person that's saying that I'm wrong now, and that, like, for example, the other game, I forgot the name, Alabasta, and this game, it's 3D in the background, and then it uses billboards, 2D sprites that walk around. It is. No, it is. You're wrong. Chat, you are wrong. Just wait. Tactical RPG. When they all have more wishlists than me. How? I can draw that. It is so, like, this is mixels all over the place. You have like a sprite that is double the size of the UI elements. Then you have font that doesn't really fit. I guess it kind of fits the icons. And then you have a game world that again uses the same, or no, actually it's more, a bigger size than the character portrait. It's so ugly. What the hell? And I can't see what's going on at all in this screenshot. It's just a giant blob. Huh? What the hell? The React would tell you why, Cakez. The React would tell you why. And by the way, the Indie Game Clinic, I applied to their service, whatever that's called, right, on Google Docs. They can tell me why my game sucks, okay? I don't need to watch a video on how to make good games. I just need to wait for them to make a video on my game how it sucks, okay? And then we'll know. Bet has more. This has more wishlists than me. Yeah, it does. It does have more wishlists than me. I just said it. Like, they have 4,000 wishlists. Maybe they're cheating. They're actually... Oh, man. Oh, they started out slow. Oh, my God. It's also been... So many of these games. I find it amazing how long these guys have been... See, like... I don't know about you guys, but for me, when I see this, I find it inspiring. Honestly. I do. You know why? Because these developers, when you see a date like 2022 March 2022, these guys have minimum spent 4 years on their game. 4 years. Such a long time. And you see it all the time that the best thing to do is to make small games. And most people do it, right? But there's also these other guys that spend so long on the game and they keep iterating and changing stuff. And they just now got to the part where they can finally go into Steam Next Fest. Oh my God, you're so dumb. It's insane. This guy is triggering the fuck out of me. I need to ban him. I need to ban this guy because he's so dumb. You think that when you set up your Steam page, guess what? You have already spent 1, maybe 2, maybe longer years on your fucking game because you're setting up a Steam page. That means you already have something to show to people. Oh my God. Anyways, let's not get triggered. If he triggers me one more time, I'll ban him. Scott signed demo. Okay. Is that unfair? Yeah. Oh, that looks good. Okay. Not my type of game. Definitely not the type of game I would play. Is it no trailer? Oh, it is. Oh God, slow intro. Bro, 5 seconds, zoom in. This is AI. Gives me AI vibes. How many wishlists? Okay, wait, all-time peak. How many wishlists? If this game has more wishlists than me, and they literally have a fucking trailer zooming in for 5 seconds, I'm gonna lose my mind. This is AI. This is AI, and they just zoom in for 5 seconds, and people are like, damn, look at the zoom, bro. Let me wishlist the game. You think this is AI, guys? Can be, right? A fucking mouse game where you click at the right time? Bro, what? Wait, so they just made... It looks amazing? Yeah, I mean, it does. I said that too. Okay, I guess that's a mini game. I guess you drive down that road, huh? How long have you guys been doing this shit for? Just almost 2 years. Yeah, about 2 years soon. Okay, I hate these guys. Next, let's see. Oh wow, I hate that character, but hey, it does seem to work. What is that supposed to be? Baby? Oh, this gives me Five Nights at Freddy's vibes. The AI game is gonna flop once people realize that it's shit. It's gonna flop anyways. Maybe. I don't know. It gives me Five Nights at Freddy's vibes, right? Better than oranges? No, oh god, is that ugly, man? Holy. Why do people wishlist this? Is that a horror game? Action, adventure, comedy, platformer. Action, adventure. Could be follow us. Oh, you mean that the Devin already had follow us? No, I think games have oh. I wonder what happened here. What's that? Like, oh, what the hell? Is that the demo? Wait a minute. I wanna see that. Demo. How do I see the demo players? Mr. Sleepy Man demo. SteamDB. Hey. Demo. When did it come out? Oops. Charts. September 20. Wait, what? Max. Oh, September, August. August when the game came out. The demo came out. June. No, the demo came out here. I wonder what happened here then. It was shown at the OTK Games show. I see. Okay, I get it. Okay. Let's see. Oh, damn. The gameplay looks good. Yeah, it actually looks quite funny. Yeah. I see why. Mr. Sleeping, yeah. Commit felony. It just looks ugly in screenshots, but the gameplay is really cool. Okay. I lost. It's over, GG, guys. Let's pack things up and yeah, what do we do next? Do we learn how to cook and make a restaurant or something? I don't think this game is gonna get much, but maybe I'm wrong. I think this just feels very floaty. All-time peak 7. How's it look here? Not safe for game next. This one, White Room. This is a not safe for game name. A game not safe for work. Oh, you mean me? Not safe for work. No, I'm not gonna make... Oh, this reminds me of the PlayStation game I played such a long time ago, guys. What is it called? English language is not supported. And then he has such like a weird... Oh, not even a trailer. Okay. Just a Russian game? What I mean by that is just Russian in the game. It's the only language. Okay. I mean, it does say nothing. All-time peak. White Room. What is it about? Like a puzzle game? 27 followers. Okay. Oh, by the way, what happened to Coffee Lava's game. Didn't he participate in Steam Next Fest? How did that go for him? My friend makes 5 figures working on furry games. Hey, that's great for him, bro. Man, this looks amazing. This got to have... Yeah, this has got to have a lot of wish lists. Demo is doing okay, I guess. Yeah. No, this game looks great. It gives me PlayStation 1 vibes, which is also awesome. Alright, let's move a bit faster here, cause... my game didn't show up yet. Oh, it's another one of those 2D games that look beautiful. The copy the other guy. Online now. Follow us on the demo? It's only 1,300 wish lists, something like that. Not doing too hot. Wonder why. Oh my god, it's been 2 years. What happened? Game looks somewhat nice. Like the water could be nicer. Oh, this looks kind of stale. Ah, this looks bad. Oh my god, what's happening here? How can you show such an empty screenshot, bro? What the hell? You literally repeat a column 2 times, you repeat this, you mirror that, and then there's another column here. Oh god, that's rough. Goodness. Steam Store, this tower defense game looks great, Cakez. I can't show that. Germany. Turtle girls. I see. Booba. Damn. It's just empty, bro. This looks good though, but empty. Looks empty. Maybe it's not fighting anything, story rich. Ah. Oh, there are enemies. Then why don't you show any in the screenshots? What the hell? It's another Balatro clone. This game. Where's Tangy TD? Microscopic. Oof, that looks ugly, bro. Oh. It's a Mario type game. Okay, Tangy TD doesn't show so many games, guys. Oh wow, that's big. They have like 10,000 wish lists. How? What the hell? I will never understand this. Well, okay. I don't understand this. Cartoony, difficult to be funny. Indie. Demo. Hey. Maybe oh, yeah. One-time peak. It just looks bad. Look at this, guys. Who's gonna play this game? Some biologists? I don't know. It looks a bit odd, man. Oh. Yikes. Yeah. Okay, let's go and look at tower defense games. I'm gonna scroll through a little bit. It takes too long to look at all of the games. There are some incredible games here, really. That looks interesting. That one too. Oh wow. That was a slow animation, okay. Okay, whatever. Let's look at tower defense games, guys. This is the important part here. Where is it though? What the hell? The site changed from yesterday. What the hell? Yesterday I scrolled past this and then it showed me... Oh yeah, here, Yester Soul. That's your game, bro, right? 15 positive reviews. How's that been going for you? Your demo. 15 is a lot. How did you get 15 reviews, bro? Does Germany ban the not safe for work games? I can't view them. It's going so-so. I think I got most from Reddit. Yes, the soul. How many wishlists you got, bro? 1,000 wishlists. I wish you good luck, man. We've got fierce competition, mate. There's a lot of enemies. we need to somehow, you know, up our chances. Maybe, you know, we can contact some people and make something happen. And if 1 or 2 people like disappear, you know, it's like we just move on, right? Yeah, it's fierce competition, bruh. Hey, I don't know where you are with your game or life. For me, if my game doesn't do well on this, I'm gonna wrap it up, man. Time to email Quinn, let him know you're a clown, brother. Shut up, bitch. I can email Quinn, but I think he doesn't even have a setup. I tried to email Quinn. He doesn't have set up an email on his YouTube account. Watch. There's no email set up here. He's been trying indie games recently. Yeah, but how can I tell him what game to play? He's only... What he's gonna do, and I know from past experiences, and I see what he's doing. He is on Twitch. He looks at chat. Chat links him games. He clicks on stuff. And then he plays those games. So what I gotta do to get there is I need to be in chat at the right time and post my link to my game. And the game needs to be public. And I need to have luck that he clicks on my game. Send an email to him. To Aris LPs. To Aris LPs. Who's that? Aris LPs. This guy. Send an email to him. What's the issue? You know the steps? Yeah, it's 99% sure that it's not gonna work, but I can try still. We're also going to try to get into Soda Poppin', and I'll make a community post on Discord about it. We will try to get into lyrics, a list of games. Email is there, Cakez? Yeah, but it's talent group. Yeah, Mythic Talent. So that's not actually Quinn. That's an agency. But yes, I think I even wrote him down. Let me check. I think I even have this. Yeah, this is the last time I can actually show you guys the YouTuber list. You know what happened on Discord. Let me see. I think I have Quinn in there. I have Quinn. Yeah, Quinn is in there. But Quinn doesn't play demos. He only plays full games. I just remembered. That's why I didn't contact him. But we'll try. We can still try, man. It's just very unlikely. But okay, I'll try to get this guy. Aris LP on YouTube. Is German. 1.1k subscribers, 2 videos, but he has a lot of followers on Twitch. So he's mostly... Huh? Oh, so he's just streaming? Does he not have... Oh my god, this guy sponsored out Domazu, bro. What the hell? All DM him. Color the key, call him back. black so you can't leak it, Cakes. And uncolor edge when you gotta check. I will make a mistake, bro. No. Guys, stop DMing me. Go away. Go away. Business email. Here it is. Okay. We can maybe get him to play. Thank you very much. I'll keep this open. Appreciate that, bro. Let me put this to the right. Right next to the YouTuber list. Thank you, man. Let's move on here, guys. Next fest. Recommended for you. Oh, look at this Outhold. Is also participating in it. We played that game. Clicker Climber. Castella. But where's my game? Why is my game not recommended for me? And where's the tower defense? Ah, tower defense games. Here, so this is the competition, guys. Let's click on some of these. That's what we gotta win against, guys. Okay? We gotta win against Outhold 2. There we go. Where's me? Where's me, actually? It will go until we see my game. God, is that a lot? Oh no. They're actually participating in Steam Next Fest. Fuck these guys, man. Can't you wait until next year? Leave me alone. Fuck, man. I'm so done. It's over, chat. We lost. It's actually over. My game doesn't even show up. Huh? Where's my game? Eh? Am I still part of Steam Next Fest? Hello? Maybe it's because my demo is private? But I want to release the demo before Steam Next Fest. Opted into Steam Next Fest. You have registered. Build your store page. We did that. Things you can do anytime. Required. Browse the storage page checklist. Your game build checklist is incomplete. What? The checklist in addition to one of the above list minimum work items to prepare your application for release on Steam for comprehensive. Guys. Hey. Why don't I show up? I think the demo needs to be in the press review, needs to be live in the press review. Release the demo, man? Is that so? Just delay the game for the next year fest. Less competition, better game, Cakes? Yeah, sure. Maybe because your demo is private? No. Really? Is every game I clicked on, does every game have a demo? No. This game doesn't have a demo. You guys are wrong. This game has no demo. It also looks kind of bad. It's Unreal Engine or Unity. Oof. Okay, so I think we are better than this game. Let's see. What is this? Okay. The graphics again look so odd. Like they look so out of place. How much? More wish lists than me. Tower defense, base building. Maybe try in Incognito. Gaben deleted your game because he hates you. Is the wish list decreasing as you go down the list? No. This is a random list, I think. This game has a demo. It's another desktop game, it looks like. I wonder why he chose that background though. Okay. Tower defense. Guys, my voice starts to ache again. Oh, it hurts. It was so good, man. Talking is just not good, bro. Man, some of these games. Why do you participate in Steam Next Fest when you don't even have a demo out? I mean, I gotta be the one person to talk, right? My game's not out yet either. But Steam Next Fest is also not out yet. I deliberately privated my demo though. Okay, this is a card tower defense game. That looks interesting. All-time peak of 10 players. Mini tank mayhem. 4,000 wish lists. Apply 80% attack speed to units in an area. Gain $5. Cost effective and start attack targets tank. Target a tank, then apply plus 1000 and plus base for one wave. Then destroy the tank. These card games, like this is what Primogen made, right? Splash. Reduced cost by 1 each time the tank is destroyed. On play apply to all. Oh god, like these icons. I really don't like these icons a lot. But maybe that will reveal itself as you play the game, I guess. Rapid fire, gain attack speed. Why don't they just say attack speed? Press review isn't that big. It's not YouTubers just press usually. I doubt they will write about. They will not write about my game, yeah. So it's fine. Add debris to your hand whenever the card is discarded. Exhaust. Why does it say exhaust all the time? Exhaust. Okay. Stage 2, Horde. Ah, looks okay. But I don't think this one will be like the winner. I need to see a better. What is this? Look, does that look too old school, guys? This is a very, very old school game. The colors are also a bit washed out. That one looks a bit better. Reminds me a bit about Kingdom Rush. Does seem to be inspired by Kingdom Rush for sure. Giga Chat joined stream. My Origin Kappa. Is that you? Really? What is this? What? I will insult him by time? The first message has to be nice? Notice the skill tree. Notice how terrible that skill tree was last year. Notice the non-existing light on the background. And the terrible looking items and the save deletion at the top there. You notice that, chat? Changed a lot, huh? The game's changed a A lot. You see the straight lines? Now we have actually curled lines that look like roots. Ha 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 ha. What a big difference, mate. Oh yeah. I mean, Kingdom Rush clone always works, always fun to play. But I'd rather play Kingdom Rush, gotta be honest. Outhold, we played that. Very good demo. And the reason why the game works is the skill tree. You just play, then you lose. You spend skill points, you play again, you win. And you repeat. It's a clicker game. How many wish lists? 6,000, 7,000 wish lists. So these guys are doing it by the textbook. And I would assume the game has been in development for a couple of months only. Yeah, so these guys are doing it right. That's how you should be doing it. We talked, we played the game, and I don't think we talked to the developer, did we? I forgot. I missed that skill tree. Me no, me not. It was my first time watching the stream. Cakez, who is Ruby stuff for? Is it supposed to be there? Oh, don't tell me that Ruby stuff. How did you get... Seems like your game should already be visible in the preview you're looking at, Cakez. Game visibility. Register your game for a given edition access. You'll be asked to choose one of the primary categories to best fit your game. Yeah, we use this information to help sort the location. Through the exact organization waves between each edition. However, we'll always use the selection for the category as a Steam tag. Or the developer page will be available before the start of the event, so you can see how the fest would be organized and where the game is positioned within the fest. I can't find my game! We recommend checking this out, as it gives you time to make adjustments if you aren't satisfied with the section you're appearing in. I'm not appearing at all! If you have issues with the game showing up on the Steam page once it has begun, there are a few things you can check to determine the cause. Ensure that your game is properly registered and that you have selected one or two categories. I have. You can also visit the game Steam Next Fest registration page, link available in the blah, 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 blah. You see the list of categories and sections. I am listed in TD, man. Make sure you have released your game demo before the start of the fest. Only games with released demos will be eligible to appear. Make sure that the store page applied. So basically, I can see myself in the dev preview, but I can't see myself in Next Fest unless I have a demo. Okay, make sure the store tags applied to your game are accurate. Yes, you want to compare the store tags, blah blah blah. We've checked all of the things above. Reach out to us. Yeah. Maybe, I don't know. I saw myself yesterday, but I'm not seeing myself today. Let's reload. Maybe it just lags. Copium. Tower defense games. Yeah, I didn't see that before. Did I? Ah! Aha! Oh! Oh! Oh, boys! That's me! And the front page, man! Damn, that's cool! You see that, chat? That's me! Oi! Is it getting clicks? I don't know. Is it getting clicks? I mean, it definitely does not, like, if I look at these thumbnails, I think I win. When I, like, okay, chat, be honest, okay? Be honest. Compared to the other thumbnails, do I win or not? This page, yes? Yeah, this page, right? I'm talking about these four. Clearly wins. Second best. Okay, who's the best? I would click the cat. Oh, you mean that? Desktop Adventure wins. Don't say that. Okay, it's over, guys. But I have an archer on the thumbnail, guys. They don't have a single archer on their thumbnails. Bigger logo equals better click ratio. Known fact. I can't make my logo bigger because of the dumb defender, mate. Ah, shit. Whatever. It's fine. Outhold. Okay, good. Desktop defender. What is that? Idler, Outlaw, Battler. Planned release date. Oh god. Oh god. That looks cool. Why are you showing a Unity screenshot? Eh? It looks fine, don't overthink it. Why is this guy showing a Unity screenshot? Is this guy trying to style or something? Hey, I'm using Unity. Oh, you see that? Aha. I don't know what he's showing. He's shown the same screenshot like 5 times. I get it. Okay. Does he have followers? Does he not have any? Wait, rating pending. What does that mean? It's one of those that sit at the corner. I see. But you know what he should show? This then. Yeah. Why show Unity? Or whatever. Who cares? Okay, I think I win over that. Okay, let's move on. Iron Frontier. Wow, that's very zoomed out. But it does have a really cool looking art style. It's a bit... it's like a bit diagonal, or how you say that stuff, but it looks okay. Oh wow. Damn, look at the background, bro. This guy was cooking. Or he used AI, but I think he was cooking. Oh my god, I don't like the gradients, but it's an art style. I just don't like gradients in general. Oh, that's so much better. Wow. I put this as my first screenshot, gotta be honest. I think this is the best so far. That's the best screenshot. Why is that not the first? I mean, ice is cool too. Oh, wait. Ah, okay, so it is the first. Yeah. Good idea, man. Okay, how many wishlists, chat? How many wishlists does Iron Frontier have? Type a number in chat. 10k? 1k? Oh, very specific. 200. I think it has somewhere around 10k too. I feel like it does. Because it's old school, guys. Nostalgia. 2k. It gotta... What does that mean, rating pending? So I don't even know. What the hell? That's annoying. So we don't know how much it has. That's bullshit. Well, we can look at the demo in SteamDB. Wait, you can't tell me that no one played this. Yeah. Here. And then the game? Iron Frontier SteamDB. I wonder why this doesn't show up. Aha. We're halfway off. 5,000. Okay. Still, yeah, I was expecting quite a few. Yeah, okay. I still think that, like, build-wise, no one can beat my tower defense game. I was right, 5k. Oh, you looked it up, bro. You were just cheating. It's simple. Don't come here and, like, pretend, please. You were literally just cheating. You looked it up. I did. Yeah, of course. That's what someone would say that looked it up. But in all honesty, like what I see here, right? Chat, is I see a lot of tower defense games that look really good, and also they have cohesive art styles together, like it looks really nice. But I don't think anyone can beat my build strategies. I have, like, how many those of you who played my game, how many different builds have you tried so far? And there are still more builds you can try, right? I just limit you at the moment because I don't give you that many different skills to use. But there's many different builds you could try. Like the last build that I saw that was very OP was Bleed. But you have like the infinite chain on the healer. And the healer has other abilities too in the future. Then you have the knockback and shield orb. Then you have the wind slash. And you have the ranger that does fire damage. There's no NDA here, man. I'm just looking at a developer page, bro. What you talking about? We looked at it earlier. There's no NDA for this. It doesn't say anywhere that you can't share this. The public beta will happen later, bro. You can message me on Discord and I'll send you a key if you want to play. 2 builds. And the cool thing is that there's so many endless stats opportunities the more items I give you. But okay, let's look at this here. It does look good for sure. Nah, I mean, 1,000 wish lists? What the hell? Rating pending. It's annoying. The SteamDB... Did the SteamDB thing just crack? Yeah, it died. Oh, 5 followers. Holy. Not looking too good. I gotta reload all of these tabs. Yeah, these are all tower defense games, guys. Oof, that's rough. So many HP bars. Ah, it doesn't look good. I don't know what it is, but this game just, it does not look good. Maybe it's cause they all look the same. I don't know what that's supposed to be. Like, it just shows 2 armies. Like, you know what this reminds me of? Have you guys ever played StarCraft 2 and you tried to put 1,000 Zerglings against 50 Hellions? That's what this is. It's like the test map, right? Where you put a couple of units to the left and a couple of units to the right, and then you just press A-click. Okay, let's see. Oof. Oof. Is that Unreal Engine? Hi. Oh my. Is that supposed to be Orcs Must Die, but in Unreal Engine? This is Unreal Engine. 100%. Yeah. Oh, Unity. It is Unity, actually. Never mind. I was wrong. Is this AI? I mean, I don't really hate that it's if it was AI, because a placeholder, whatever. It looks bad. Yeah, it does look bad, unfortunately. And it's also, like, that's the big problem, you know? When you make a game and you don't make it appealing. The reason I think why it looks bad, it looks like Play-Doh. The crossbow as well, this texture, you can make this texture look wooden even without physics-based rendering. But it just looks like Play-Doh. Doesn't look good at all. You can see the engine through the game many times, bro. Oof. That's rough too. Okay. This guy, you know what this guy tried to do? He tried to make the tower, for those of you who know the phone game, but in 3D. That's literally the tower in 3D. And he called it Idle Geometry Defense. Just call it the pillar, man, and you move on. Like, goodness. Okay. 5,000 reviews. That one seems interesting. All sides tower defense game. Not bad. Is that the shitty train game again, where you progress like a clicker? Is that a clicker game? Turn-based tactics. Train stations. Wow, it looks amazing, by the way. The art is crazy good. Yeah, it's a very high production. What is this? Mystic Forge publisher? Or not? Aesthesian Labs, is this a publisher? No? What the hell is these two games? Difficult to say. Maybe it's a programmer and an artist, I would assume. See, that would be my ideal future too. I code the game and I have an artist doing the art. That would be the ideal situation for me. Rami the Goat, you know Rami? It's Rami. You guys know this guy? Rami Ismaili? Huh? Who is this guy? Is that like some Rami Ismaili Nuclear Throne? Nuclear Throne? This guy, this thing here? Did I see that before? Oh wow. Vambia. I did not play this. Oh wow. It's quite a few players. Yeah. Bro, you're better at art than coding? Oh, you're wrong. You're so wrong, bro. Wait, I feel like I remember this. I don't know where from, but I remember something similar. Is this where Ashvale came from too? Very interesting. It's Rami Ismaili's game, okay. Looks really good and seems to be giving him a lot of money still. There's 9,000 positive reviews in your language. That means he has way more reviews in all languages. Okay, cool. Ooh, that is rough, man. Okay, how much? 25 wish lists. Oh. 250. Yeah, it just looks again like this is AI. Yeah, I mean it looks like a tech demo. Unfortunately. Crazy, man. Like, oof. What is this? I mean, oh, it's waiting for a rating. Okay. I'm gonna reload these. All right, let's see. We went through all of them. Yeah, I don't know what this is supposed to be. Doesn't look that hot. Gotta be honest. Build defense. Yeah, you do that in a tower defense game. What is this? Ooh, all-time peak 3. Tiny Legends. Does have a good thumbnail in my opinion. This is AI. You can see because it's grainy. Man, could you at least not like fix it or something? Like this guy's blatantly using AI. He doesn't give a fuck. Damn, this guy is just, he's got balls of steel. He's not even trying to fix it. Bruh, that's crazy. Makes you wonder if this is AI too. Probably. Full AI game? How many wish lists? Rating pending. Stop. Stop saying that, man, with the pending. It's not AI. That's an asset store asset. Then the asset store asset is AI, man. This is AI. Oh, you mean the other ones? The other one? Okay. The Knight? Okay. Well, unfortunately, we can't see how many wish lists, but okay. Yeah, I saw that game before. I saw that yesterday. I was like, does not look too hot either, but also only has like 40 wish lists. Yeah, actually, many of these games, they just don't look appealing, apart from this game, of course. This one's the clear winner on all tower defense games. Like, if I have to rate my chances against the other tower defense games, then I will definitely be worse off than this game. But gameplay-wise, honestly, I think I'm ranking pretty good. Like, where would you guys rate me? Like, compared to all of the games we have seen now. Like, which game beats me gameplay-wise? Apart from this game, of course. Like, I don't know gameplay about this game. Maybe second or third. 80%, 30-40% chance of success. Did you see my TD game, Cakez, Farmer? No, I didn't see yours. Did you also join? Yeah, your TD game is the black and white one, right? Or not the black and white one, but what did it call again? Evil? No, not Evil Wizard. What is your game called again? Guardian Chicken? Guardian Chicken, yeah. I didn't see that, no. The tower defense game Hook. Hood at the end. Looked good. I want to see how much... All-time pick 3. I want to see how many followers you have. Nothing? Really? Oh, okay, 100 wish lists. About 100. Yeah, not that much. But it came out this year, so... 100 wish lists is still decent. Tiny legends. Hey, let's look at the gameplay here. Steam loads. Ah, great. You're wasting... Oh my god, this is so dumb. This guy is wasting 6 seconds on text and the logo. It's actually making me mad. It's making me so mad. I cannot believe how stupid some people can be. Bro. Oh my god. The game looks bad too, it's okay. Yeah, but he could show gameplay. Like this, immediately. So you're actually playing. Yeah, this is much better. Okay. This is how Collector feels every day. Oh, because he can't believe how stupid I am. Yeah, we saw that game. This is massive. Yeah, this one's gonna be the clear winner. For sure. Let's see. Oof. I mean, this guy probably started out making games. For a first game. Not bad. For sure. Definitely better than what I had. Hey, I think that's great. Like, how long have you been working on this, bro? Please don't say a couple of years. Yeah, I mean, I think that's fine. He's like his first game. He's participating in Steam Fest. Coming to early access. Has a demo out as well. I think that's great. It's his first game. He probably needs to learn a lot. SteamDB. Let's see. How did that go for him? Yeah, 2 peak. Yeah, okay. Is Steam Fest every year? It's every couple of months. Oh, my way is not the correct way. Okay, then how about you make a game and show text in the first 6 seconds? And let me know how that works for you. You want others to not succeed, right? Check mine 2 cakes. One last review on my Steam page. Sure, I can, yeah. What is this? Oh, why is that not the first screenshot, man? Seems like the Steam Fest is heaven for indies. It is a very big boost, yes. It's like a test for indie games, yeah, for sure. And everyone should participate in it to get a rough idea of where their games stand. Like, just releasing a game on Steam already shows you where you stand. Right? What is this? This is a voxel game. I wonder if you can destroy the entire map. That would be amazing. You can. Oh, that's cool. But unfortunately, no trailer. Just 1 follower. Bruh, like, cool idea. But I mean, how would that even work? You destroy September. You destroy the map. Follow him, Cakes? Nah, I'm good. You destroy the map and then the people, the enemies can no longer walk there, or they have to walk through a crevice? Through a crater? Why would you ever want to destroy the map in a tower defense game? I feel like you want to build a wall. You don't want to destroy walls. You want to build walls. I don't know if this works even. It's a cool idea. Block paths. Yeah, but voxel games are notorious for destroying walls. So, the enemy destroys the walls? I guess, yeah. And you build them? Build a labyrinth path via destruction? It sounds tedious, to be honest. But okay. Build and repair walls. Yeah, I think you gotta build walls and then the enemy can destroy them. Oh, this is a waifu game? The portrait looks really good, man. And this too. Holy, the map looks great. Damn. Oh wow, that looks good too. Is that a city builder? Time management. Why only 29 followers? Maybe it's because it's a recent game? Is this AI? June. It's AI? Yeah, I think it is, right? But this looks great. Why is this... I guess 29, 290 wishlist. It's quite a lot already. June, July, September, 3 months. It looks nice. I don't think this is AI, by the way. The pixel art. I think that is actual pixel art. Looks actually kind of nice. Yeah, here. So here are the enemies. They walk along this path. Wonder why? Why don't they attack the crops? And what are they trying to attack? Where's your main building again? See, like, Gnomes does this very well. They show where the enemies go because it's like the one thing that is this unique building on the entire map. Oh, they don't attack the crops because they're being defended by these guys. The game isn't an eye. You should add a sexy tangerine too. Interesting. Yeah, guys, I'm checking out competition because I've been coding like crazy for the last couple of days. I need a small break, bro. If you guys don't find that interesting, that's fine, but I need a break, man. And I like looking at these games. I find it odd. I feel like this should have more wish lists. Does it have a demo? No, it doesn't. This looks good and interesting too. I'm just wondering where the enemies are marching towards. Like, what are you defending? I don't see that at all. Take a break with reacts, Cakes? Yeah, I will, but oh. What is this? Keep. And then we'll try to look... What is this screenshot? Is this looks like a real life picture. Oh wow. Oh wow, that looks really quiet. Where that is that War Thunder? What the hell? Damn. That looks really cool. Damn, I like that castle, bro. Holy shit. It's an actual war tank. What is this called, guys? Warhead? No, it's not a warhead. Whatever these things are called. Looks like real life, yeah. Kinda. Damn. Okay, and coming soon. 19 followers. Wonder why the game doesn't have that many followers. May. It's been a couple of months, but not that many. Does it look too realistic, guys? 3D game equals real life. Low tide. Okay. It looks 2.5 DE. Shut up. It's a fake game? Oh, you think it's just a fake Steam page to look at interest and then just abandon the project? Minus 100, but better than minus 2,000 or 20,000, 200,000, depending on time investment. Just some quickly generated pictures. Fake AI generated 2.5K. Okay, let's try to find Guardian Chicken. It's supposed to be in Next Fest 2. Where's that? Mineral Madness, another Coal LLC miner game. But 3D. Ah, just stop. Get out of here, bro. It keeps showing me Yestersoul because it's on my wish list. Where's TD Games? Here. That's new. Oh, wait, what the hell? That's AI. A New Hope. That's how you start. Okay. We saw that. Let's try to find Guardian Chicken. I mean, if we keep refreshing, at some point it'll show up, right? I wonder why your game doesn't show up. I should have seen it already. What the hell? I'll keep refreshing, okay? I hope you win, Cakes. There is no winning in Steam Next Fest over others. It's just getting a bunch of wish lists. Oh, Fortress Fury. That's a new game in the list that we see. Abyss Kitten. Oh my god, there's so many games. Okay. Why is your game not showing up? Man, there's a lot more games than I thought. But I'll stop soon. This one looks great though. I wanna see that. Ah! Here it is. Oh, you decided to change the thumbnail into this one? Really? So that's your Steam page now. Guardian Chicken. And you show the... Do you think that helped? Small changes? No, you did change it, right? I remember your Guardian Chicken... not template. Capsule before. Can't you show this as the first screenshot, by the way? The thing that I still don't like visually about the game, because, by the way, the gameplay is good, is that it all looks the same. To me. I cannot distinguish the enemies from the turrets. In German, I would say, das ist ja einfach nur ein Strahl. It's like, it's just a line. Colorblind art style. Yeah, that was your map, I remember. And then boost all your... This is meta progression, right? Railgun plus... And, I mean... If you want me to be honest, I can be honest with you. Like, I think this is... very generic upgrades. Plus 6%, just percentage upgrades. It's not that worse when you played it. Is it too chaotic for the as a first screenshot, this one? Yeah, but it shows what the game can end up being, if that makes sense. I remember sounds being annoying, but maybe I'm a shitso, or you added some cooldowns to them. I don't know if you have more upgrades. Yeah, this is what I remember. But like good upgrades, by the way, or fun upgrades are something that... A good upgrade is I shoot an arrow and the arrow bounces to another target. This is what you would call chain, for example. And now, what this mechanic does to make it more interesting is when, let's say that's your map, right? Let's say that's your map. And let's use Excalidraw. Apparently I have some screenshots here. A lot of stuff happening. Let's move here. And an interesting, the chain mechanic that I was talking about, if you have an enemy here, and you have an enemy here, and the tower shoots this guy in a straight line, the projectile would fly in this direction, right? But since it's chaining, it'll hit this guy and then make a jump towards this guy, which makes this tower more effective in a... It's not diagonal, in a... not horizontal. In a vertical or horizontal position, because now you don't have to worry about this line of shooting, because that's very inefficient. That's usually why you place towers around the corners, because you'll just cover more area. And so this type of chain thing upgrade is more interesting than 5% or 6% or whatever. Because it fundamentally changes the gameplay. And now you can position the tower differently and still have some cost effectiveness. That makes sense. Just something to think about. Tower defense games are all about upgrades. And if you have upgrades, upgrades are dopamine. You need to think in terms of, I have gained money, now I want to spend my money, and when I spend my money, I want to feel the dopamine boost. I want to be like, yes. And that's what tower defense games are all about. And so then you place that tower, you give it the boost, and then it'll destroy the wave. So for example, right? That's why Bloons is so successful, because you can build these insane towers that just obliterate everything. Usually in Bloons you go for like a couple of really, really strong monkeys rather than just spamming a bunch of more monkeys. And why? Because the upgrades are just so powerful. They pierce, they chain, they have lasers, explosions, and then these explosions split up into multiple smaller explosions, and then they bounce. So many different things just to cover a larger area and deal more damage. And yeah, so that's something I learned a long time ago about tower defense games too. It's not just more damage, it's the effects that come along with them. And so yeah. Oh yeah, I remember, like, I really like this mechanic, by the way. Like, this is not explained very much, and unfortunately I don't know if you can. The coin. Is there a way to make the coin more obvious? Because... Chat. What is this? What is this and this? Chat. Economy. Did I... Your mama? Farm? Who of you... I told you now. Who of you would connect this circular shape to the coin? I mean, I kinda brought you to it because I talked about the coin. But who of you would see that as a coin? I feel like it doesn't look like a coin. And you guys, you need to be honest here, right? Not just because I say that. Because you're giving feedback to Farmer right now. Okay. Dopamine when you get items, that's how Spelunky 2 feel. That's not a coin. Seems obvious enough. It's a circle, man. When was a coin a circle? And the coin here is not a circle, but an oval. Yo, what's up? Like a ricochet, the bullet arrow bounces? Yeah. Maybe it needs 2 pixels more. I feel like it does. Let me see if we like zoom in. Oh, we can't. Never mind, we can't actually. Check the updated trailer again, Cakez. I will. So this is the coin. And you have... Bro, I would do this, man. Brother has the playlist since Big Bang. True. If you're making a white coin, right? And we have like a background here. And your coin is... this, I think. Oh, never mind. This is your coin, right? And then you have, I think, one dot here. I would just do that. Wait, let me craft one. Let me make one with color. Oh. Maybe with or without it. There's only so many pixels. I know. This. Maybe with or without. Let's see. I feel like that breaks it. Wait, you have other colors, don't you? Wait, you have the coin here. Then what is this bubble? Wait, what the hell? What are all of these icons then? Isn't this 12 money? What the hell? What is this? Different tiers? What is this bubble? Guys, this is a bubble. With those 3 black dots you added on the coin, I would stay with the 3 dots. There's 4 tiers of crops you can get. Placing a sprinkler upgrades a crop. I don't know, but can't you, like, let's say, like, this is your color, right? I'm just wondering. Yeah. Let's say you start out with a crop looking like this. I don't know. Tier 1. And you just, I don't know. What would be a tier 2 crop? Tier 2. And you just make it bigger? I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud right now, right? Not sure. You just make him bigger. I don't know what type of was that crop. I don't know. You just think into something that makes the player understand. Oh, the crop just grew larger or something, right? And then right next to the crop, you always show an icon. Maybe below or to the side. And then it'll be like... yeah, what do we have here? 1. And over here, that'll be... do you have a 2 here? Yeah, you have a 2. They see like... it'll show the crop tier visually. You don't say what tier it is, you just show it visually. Like, to give you an example. Gnomes on Steam. Do you see any numbers next to the crops? Like, why do you need to display the numbers when the icon itself already, like, when the visual, like how it physically looks, the shape already shows you? And so the like when you get money in gnomes, that's what it looks like. I'll look at the I'll look at your trailer in a second, okay? Oh, this is the trailer for content. There. See, you saw that? It just added this here. It's X-ray mode. I don't show it every time. I see. Okay, never mind then. I'm sorry. Okay, let me see. Aha! Yeah, much better. Yeah, good idea. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I apologize. Okay, I'm dumb. Yeah, okay. So it only shows an X-ray. But if this is money in X-ray, I would still make the coin look like this. If you can. I think that looks better. It looks like a coin. Here it looks like a bubble. Alright, let's look at the trailer then. These are just more screenshots of crops and stuff like that. Yeah, they are. Alright, let's see. Aha! Why did you start out like that? Oof. It's too long, I think. Why is this so long? You can just show this for 1 to 2 seconds. Hello, Mr. Ramis. How you doing, man? Why is this so long? Ramis, did you watch Mr. Prime? How did their tower defense game turn out? Like, from a professional game developer, in your opinion, what do you think about their tower defense game? How's it look and how's it play? What the hell? I think this is a bit long here. Like, you're spending almost 4 seconds on this, and you could switch over to this part like 2 or 3 seconds in. They got something playable, I think. Yeah, I saw it. I think we rated them yesterday, right? Looked okay. Oh, wait. You still have to move to the towers? Oh, I remember that. I mean, it's not really apparent in the trailer, but you have to move to the towers to build, right? The chicken moves on its own. What does the chicken do, by the way? Apart from walking to the crops to build them. You don't have to anymore. What is the chicken for? What is it doing? See, what I would show is this earlier. I would show this less, like not as long. 2 seconds maximum. You see what this is about, right? I would maybe even do a progression, but then you could do the same thing as gnomes. You see how in 2 seconds trailer, look. Zoom in, house, crops, gnome, money. Then they show the mechanic that you can place dwarfs from one location to another location. And then they show the enemies coming, the waves approaching. They show like 5 different things in 6 seconds. And when I compare that to your trailer, you show very slowly at the beginning that something is approaching the house. Like, I don't know what you're trying to sell here. Are you trying to show that this is a tower defense game? I feel like it's apparent already because of the thumbnail. That you're being attacked? Yeah, but I mean, someone that is on a look for a tower defense, it's not fine. He spends too much time on this. Yes and no. He has 12 followers. He's obviously struggling with wish lists, same as we. If you're saying it's fine and then you see 12 120 or 200 wish lists. I'm tired of this. Goodbye. It's so annoying, people in chat, that we are trying to help a fellow game developer here, okay? And you guys have no idea because you have not made a game yourself because you're lazy ass bums, okay? You guys don't know what it feels like. You spent all of your time and effort into making a game and then the outcome is you're not having anyone interested in your game. So how about you spend some of your time trying that out yourself and then maybe you'll appreciate when someone gives you feedback. You can go from 0 wishlists to 1,000 in the next fest though. Yeah, you can. But again, it's about feedback. Okay, we are before the Steam Next Fest right now. And so I think this is important. And if you guys truly think that a game where you see enemies approaching for 5 seconds and getting shot by towers is a good way to market your game, most people will have already clicked off here. That's just the way it is. He doesn't have presence? No, Steam always, like, guys, oh my god. When you upload a game to Steam, whatever. Anyways, let's go back here. So, I don't know if this makes sense too much. Maybe you can edit, it's fine, I guess. And I would show this less, not as long. And then I would immediately show the part where, here, this part where you build the towers. Yeah, I guess you can. But I think the crops is more interesting than the towers. Because that's what you have, the $sign. It shows that you are a... Also, I think on your tags, shouldn't you add in building? Because you're building crops to earn money. What does gnomes have? Procedure generation dwarf. Let's see. No. Here. I would start with the crops. Yeah, maybe not start with the crops, but economy. Yeah. City builder, base building, yeah. So, like on the tags, I would try to get these in there too, because you have building. We have the crops, and that makes it interesting, because the more crops you build around those, the higher the tier goes. The color palette would deter me quite a bit. So, again, to reiterate, I would start with this much earlier, not 11 seconds in, because think about it like this. When you write down the features of your game on a paper, one feature in your game is crop building using, money generation using crops. You can call this, what was it called here? You could call this base building economy. That's one feature. So you need to show that. 1 to 2 seconds in the trailer. Another mechanic is, and see, this is where I'm struggling a little bit to understand. I obviously can see here that you are shooting the enemies, right? But what makes these towers different? Or do they have cool effects? You could say another feature of your game is towers. Because from this screenshot, I can't really tell what makes them different. Obviously, there will be different towers. There will be armored enemies and non-armored enemies, high HP targets, and then you obviously have armor penetration. I'm pretty sure that's what you had. So, but this is another feature, right? And so I would just treat the trailer as a list of features to go over, and then you repeat yourself once you have gone through all of the features. So crop building is a feature, the towers attacking is a feature, the X-ray vision is a feature. Here's the crop building, I think. This is what I would show. Like maybe even sped up. I don't know. Maybe not. But this is what I would show. Here, how long do you spend on crop building? You're starting on, I think it's 16 seconds. I think you're doing it right, but can't you do something like this? Farmer, you have a crop upgrades when it has 4 surrounding crops, right? Can't you start the clip with 4 crops, and then you place a crop next to them, and then you see the crop in the middle upgrade? And so when someone sees the clip of you placing the crop and seeing it upgrade immediately, they will understand that something happens because you're building stuff close to each other. Because that's a mechanic. And then you could make another cut to a bigger crop like this, and you're placing 1 or 2 more, but I wouldn't spend much more time on this. Yeah, he's writing this in C using Raylib, yeah. It's a big Giga Chat move. Okay, like, think about it, right? Because I had the same issue, bro. And I can show you, like, for me, my issue was the same thing. Like, my mechanic is the items, right? And it's essentially, like, it only shows up for a couple of seconds. And I'm not saying that my trailer is really good. But you see here that after 2 seconds, I'm already showing the item. Boom. And then later in the trailer, I go into more detail. Like, I spent a couple, maybe too long on the skill tree. Here, this is the time. Like, we're starting at 11. And then by 14 or 13 seconds, it's already over. Because, like, yeah, I think, like, now, I think in terms of a feature list in a trailer. And the reason, like, maybe this helps a bit. Bone Razor Minions, their trailer is only 17 seconds. So you don't really need to have a very long trailer at all. It's literally just 17, and the game stops at, like, it's 10 seconds or 12. Right. I started 11. No, I started 2 seconds. I show the item merging at 2 seconds. Yeah. I showed it. I just don't zoom in. I could zoom in here. Maybe make that a bit better. I'm reviewing a trailer of a fellow game dev in chat at the moment. Yeah, we're looking at his trailer. So yeah. Now let me see. Yeah, we saw that. That's building the towers. I still don't understand what the chicken does, bro. What is the chicken guarding? Because think about it like this, right? And I think your game is very similar to it, so that's why I'm always using it. In Gnomes, you have the same mechanics, but you do not require a chicken to move to the crops to build them. So why do you need the chicken to build the crops? Like, you see how it's just placing down sunflowers here? So why do we need a chicken for that? I still don't understand that. Oh my god, this guy's a retard. So we're gonna ban collector stuff too. See you tomorrow. Ah, idiots. Because it's the name of the game. Yeah, great. I know. It's just an FX at this point, just running around doing things. See, like, can't you give the chicken abilities? Like, I don't know, an egg that explodes? And you move with the chicken on the road and you make it explode, but you don't have to move with the chicken to the crops? And now the chicken can lay explosive eggs? Like, something to give the chicken, like, the user has something to do. Guys, it's not the same. The Tangies and this chicken is not the same. The Tangies actively do something. The chicken just runs around doing nothing. This is a tower defense game, yeah. I'm joking, Cakes. But hey, null exception, don't you agree? Like, give the chicken active abilities. Now you can actually use it to do something with it. Right? And now it gives the chicken a purpose to be there. Then it's a guardian chicken, actually. It guards something. It defends something. It actively does something other than just build tower. That's not even required anymore. The chicken is no longer required to build the defense because it was tedious, mate. If you had played the demo, which you didn't, obviously, but I did, you would know that. What a fucking dummy, man. How about you play the old demo where the chicken was required to build and then tell me how tedious that was and then come back, bro, okay?
Before you talk smack, how about you inform yourself on the things, okay? I actually played his game.
Dummy. Yeah, the chicken needs to be more important then, yeah. Because it's just sitting around here doing nothing. Okay. It's like having a hero in Kingdom Rush, but the hero does nothing and it sits beside the road. Take the ice hero in Kingdom Rush and just make her look pretty. Okay? That's all she does then. And one of my favorite heroes. It's for aesthetics. Yeah, it doesn't do anything, guys. Then you can remove it. Guys, one of the most important things I learned. If it's not needed, cutting a feature is also a feature. Yeah, and then we just see repeat, right? I think what you could do here... By the way, where's the X-ray vision? Well, that's way too late. See, like... Here's an idea. Tower, show big, here, here, there it is. Big stuff like this. Begin with that. Crops, show 4 crops, add 1 crop. Show, like, cut immediately. Show big crops, add another 2 crops. Big money. Maybe show, when you get money, how it looks. Like, maybe like a gnomes, right? How this looks here. Where is it? Big money. Yeah, I don't know what animation you have. So we are, I think we're at like 4 seconds at this point. Wait, where was I? The big one here. This one. And you don't even have to re-record the trailer because it already works. Like this one, crops. Because crops is really important. Big mechanic of the game. I don't even think you need to show building towers, to be honest. And then the X-ray vision. That's what I would show. I mean, you built the crops. Maybe you can show building a tower, 1 tower. You don't need to build 10 towers in the trailer. I think you're building 2. I think 1 tower, maybe 2 max. Like you do here, right? Where is it? It's a bit slow though, so maybe I would do 1 tower. Yeah, I think that's fine. 2 towers is fine. Maybe an upgrade. That's okay. You're done. And then show another map. Yeah, that one. I really like that one here, man. Maybe you could show a big map again. But I would, and then the X-ray vision, going from the big map to X-ray vision. Right? This is what I would show then. And we are currently looking at 6 to 7 seconds. Yeah, what does this X-ray vision even do, by the way? What does it do? Does it show enemies that are not there? If it shows enemies that you can't see, then show an empty map and show towers that attack enemies that are hidden when the X-ray vision is turned on. That would look amazing. Like you show, let's say you show this map completely empty and some of the slots completely empty. I don't know if that works like that, right? And then you show the X-ray vision and it shows the hidden enemies. It looks like dark mode rather than X-ray vision. Yeah, I thought so too. And then once you have shown the X-ray vision, that's the mechanics of the game. Then you show the trailer. 10-12 seconds. And you have shown the entire game to someone. And most people will then also watch the trailer till the end because it's much shorter. That's what I would do with the knowledge that I have gained so far. I'm not saying that that's the best thing to do. Absolutely not. But that's what I would do. Show big screen with a lot of shit. Because that's cool. Shows that you have a lot of computational power. There's a lot of enemies coming. There's a lot of stuff you can build. Show crops being built and upgraded. Show bigger crops patch. Show building towers. And if you ever decide to add an ability to the chicken, show that too. And then show the X-ray vision. I don't know how the X-ray vision works. You need to figure out. The player needs to understand what the X-ray vision is about, mate. When you show this, looking at this, and I played the game, I don't know what this does visually. I don't know. And when you're done with the X-ray vision, you could show maybe the chicken using abilities, and then you show this. Yeah, you can think about it, right? You don't have to do it like this, Mr. Farmer. It's just that this would be the features of the game. He needs to work on the trailer because that's the advertising point he has. He has worked on the game. TTV, bro. I don't understand why you're not getting this. He literally has 2 weeks until Steam Next Fest. And this is the #1 selling point of his game. That's the first thing people see, plus the screenshots. Anyways, man, I wish you good luck, bro. I wish you good luck. Okay, I think we're done, right, guys? There are some other tower defense games, but I'm cooked, man. You ready for next fest, Cakes? Yeah. We have some feedback on Discord. I'll look at that. But for the most part, I'm ready. I've sent out emails, made a small mistake, leaked some keys, so I'm gonna have to resend some other emails. But for the most part... Yeah, I'm happy. It was tough. Demo feedback and bugs. Let's read this a bit. Enex. Thank you very much, Mr. Enex. Who is Ruby stuff for? How did you get the Ruby stuff, by the way? How did you get... Oh my god. Round 300? How? I'm not giving knockback... wait. How did you get to round 300? Oh, you're using the steel sword because it gives you armor penetration, isn't it? And you're using the bleed sword because it gives you bleed. Oh, I know what you're doing. Bleed is OP. I saw that. Yeah, so... Ah! It's so funny.
Chat.
That is interesting, to say the least. Let me see here. So, a long time ago, I introduced this item called the Executioner's Hood. Okay? The Executioner's Hood is a cool item that some of these people from medieval times wore that would indicate that they execute people. And then I gave this Executioner's Hood bleed damage and I think duration. People told me the item is bad. And that it would never be used in builds. Interesting. Can someone explain that screenshot to me? Huh? That item is trash? It's not. That item is not trash. And I'll show you why it's not trash. Items are auto-collecting in my backpacks even if I don't open a chest or buy anything. Wait, what? They do? Wait, that might be a bug, because you got to... And how did you get to round 300? I gave the... How can you beat the knights? What? How? All you need is 2 guys with clubs, but the knights are immune to knockback. I gave them 100% resistance and stun resistance. They can't be stunned. How do you beat them? And they have 60% armor and 40% block chance. I corner the knights and make them suck. How? No, they should beat you up, man. They deal 300 physical damage and they can't be slowed. They can be slowed. Can't you go past 100% knock chance? No, you can't. Knockback resistance is a multiplier. When it's 100%, it gets reduced to 0. Is he abusing something with poison bottle, maybe? But poison is magic damage. He's using poison bottle. Why are you using poison bottle, man? Wait, is it because of the debuff duration? Wait, is he doing poison damage? Wait a minute. You have to test it yourself, Cakes? Bro, you know how long it takes to get to round 300. How long did it take you to play there? I don't get items, so I just put anything that gives damage. No, in this map you get items. I spawn a silver rat here, so you do get items in chests. That's not true. But you had 14,000 money. How the fuck did you get to round... That's way too much, man. Game round start 300. Yeah. This guy's cheating. That's what he's doing. Is this your... this is my game, yeah. End game. We have tier 2 items and the current biome. Wait, I went till 100 and... You got an array full? Here? You didn't provide any array full stuff. Like, when did it go array full? And could you please provide me the game log file for this? Oh, in DM. Ah, okay, thank you. What did it do? Game log. No, oh, the error log only. Shit, I gotta fix that. I got array full. Ah, shit, man. I don't know what happened. Ah, fuck. Okay. It doesn't store the score? Wait, maybe the demo's not updated for you? Because it should here, watch. Here, it uploads the leaderboard score. Uploads score to Steam. I call this... okay, when we lose, when you win... here. If the round index modulo by 2 is 0. So it should do that. So every 2 rounds it should upload the score. It's weird. Is the app ID correct? It's difficult to say on mine now, because I'm currently... Like, are you operating on the demo or the playtest, Shade 11? Because I need to change that back to the playtest. I'm not gonna update the demo. I'm only going to update the demo when I'm 100% sure that what I have works. So that's back to the playtest. The demo. You're playing the demo. Why every second round, not every round? There's a limit to how long or how many times you can upload to Steam. And if it gets too much, you get an error. So I decided to do every second round to never hit that threshold. I think you can only have 1 active upload. It happens quite fast, but you never know how fast people can get through a round. And so every 2 rounds I felt like is a good middle ground. Okay, Okay, so this is debug mode. The reason why the item is OP is because it gives bleed damage. Did I just get a new save? Oh, and by the way, I got another YouTuber to play my game. And this was the array full stuff I linked you. I contacted him through DMs in Discord. I asked him if he wanted to play my game and make content. He is like, you're gonna check your game out. A couple of hours later, he sends me a screenshot with array full. And I'm like, oh, shit. Man. And I was like, oh god, great. This is just so stupid. I can't catch a break, man. I fixed it for him immediately, but obviously the first impression for this one guy is already tainted. It is how it is. It sucks, man. I'm just dumb. Let's get rid of the music. And some people on the trailer told me that the music doesn't fit the game. What do you guys think? It was actually surprising to me. You know, I uploaded the trailer to YouTube. You see? They said the music doesn't fit the game. You see? No. Sorry. Do you guys agree with this? Yeah. There's quite a few people actually saying that. Tend to agree. No, this is not my music. The music. This is the music from the game. It's good, but you're currently in combat right now. I mean, it's supposed to be chill. Music feels like a placeholder. Really? Too happy, the music? It was like when I wanted this to be like Bloons, guys. And so I tried to make like a Bloons type thing. Too upbeat. It's like a water park simulator. Oh, you mean Goop Lagoon? See. Interesting. I'll think about it. I like it. So let's see here, let's get some money. The item I'm talking about is... Where is it? Here, this one. Bleed damage, 40%. And what are you doing here? Poison chance, poison damage, poison duration. So you're doing something with poison on the defender? Interesting. Area full at level 300. Shit, I didn't get the area full thing. No, I'm not reacting today. Because I upgraded that poison thing as well. What? What did you upgrade on the defender? Where? What did you upgrade, bro? There's no poison thing. On the defender, there's no poison, man. What program did you use to make the music? The music is not by me, it's by Necropolis. He used to be in chat. Was the Archer? Sorry. You put it on the Archer? Wait. No. You put the poison bottle on the defenders. Maybe you just did it out of... you randomly put items. Okay. Okay. I see. That makes more sense. Because that doesn't make any sense. I have no strategy. I still don't believe how you can beat these knights. They should be knockback immune. So we'll see. Oh, man. My voice is getting better, but still fucked up. Let's see about the other type of feedback here. Demo feedback and bugs. Did you get a lot? Is that the entire thing? Oh wow, that's a lot. Leaderboard doesn't go over 11 in challenge mode. In level 3, same for level 4. What the fuck? It seems to only it saves the high score once or something. What the hell? You reached round 27. Okay, I'll fix that. Great. Disable vertical lines. Circle, replace it with proper asset. Maybe when you hover over it, select the tree. I'll think about that. Unknown ability, yeah. I have no idea. Maybe it should switch place with Deadly Vines as it locked in the demo. Maybe make it change. Unknown, periodically roots, and then Deadly Vines poison debuff. So one of them is root, the other one is poison debuff. I'll think about it. Good idea. Let us respec power upgrades by right-clicking them. I'll think about this. Yeah, you might be able to do that in the future. For now, no. The restart button is not grayed out after pressing home button. I see, okay. UI bug. Level 3 boss texture. Oh shit. Thank you. I really wanna ban this guy. He's getting so annoying, this asshole, man. Like, shut up, man. It's really annoying. You have no idea what's going on with my life, man. Shut up, bro. So annoying, these people. Why you always gotta... Every time, man. It's every time someone has to barge in like that. I'm not ignoring anyone. Bro. Just give me a break. Goodness, man. It's just... You're banned too. You're getting on my nerves today, so I'll see you tomorrow. Man, I'm tired, really. I'm actually tired of this. There's toxic people everywhere, yeah. That's why you're like, yeah, I know. It's really annoying. Like, this is out of nowhere and completely out of place. It's not even funny anymore at this point. These people are, yeah, it's, I just don't understand what the problem is, man. Water not animated. Yeah, okay, bro. Upgrade stars not grayed out. Yeah, okay. Maybe add an idle animation to unlock the Tangy in the menu. I was thinking about that. Actually a nice idea. Add description to challenge mode on hover. Some like fight infinite waves. Yeah, okay. Instead of hiding the challenge mode button, if you finish, make it grayed out. Oh, that's actually good. That's actually really cool because it shows what's to come. Yeah, that's a smart idea. If the player finishes a level without 3 stars, he might not know that there's a challenge mode there. Yeah, that's a good idea. I think Kingdom Rush does that too, actually. Implement it in both the level selection and the finished menu. Yeah, good idea. Maybe instead of having to select Tangy to see the stats, make it on hover. Hover, and then when you click, it shows at all times. We should test the version where the skill trees are not hidden on respec. Okay, I'll think about it. Make the small nodes background show the upgrade progress. Oh, that's a lot. It's very difficult to do. I don't know if I'll do that, bro. I'm sure there are people who won't even know you can upgrade the small nodes. I know, but I think that's a bit... Maybe for like a full release, right? That would be very low priority thing. Power-ups, upgrade naming is not consistent. Oh, you're right, yeah. Okay. Add some animated glow to the skill points icon if you have unspent skill points. Configuration reset button. Add configuration dialog. What does that mean? Confirmation. Oh, I see. Why would I note anything down? I just go over the list and then do it again. I'm not noting it down. Yeah, the level 3 sprite boss. Yeah, I'll fix that in a second. Hovering over the base upgrades to display the descriptions. Yeah, actually my wife tried to do that, to understand what these do, and it didn't show a description. Lets you buy items, grows oranges if hero is nearby. Yeah, good idea. Demo bugs and things that can make the game better, more intuitive with polish. Yeah, that's a good idea. I'll try to get mostly all of these, apart from some, done until Steam Next Fest or before Steam Next Fest. Like, these are minor things, but they do add up and they make the game better if fixed, of course, right? I'll obviously prioritize gameplay over this, but yeah. Can we have 10x speed? I don't think I can implement that safely without like frying your computer, to be honest. I'll try in the future, but it's a bit implement both. Actually, we were there. Maybe instead of having select, yeah, actually we saw that. What is this? Healing mist doesn't seem to, yeah, I know. And barrier doesn't work. Yeah, it's useless. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I know that. I've written that down. Add a game icon. Oh, I see. A game icon. I should do that probably, right? It comes off more professional. Show the leaderboard in the pause menu. Oh, guys. After finishing level 3, it should appear at level 4. Rename quit to close, yeah. Stop X. Shop X button is not grayed out. On some UIs, okay. Remove the plus. Oh, you mean 18 lives is 3 stars? Okay, remove the plus. Yeah, good idea. Skip the icon. My game has been out for months and I don't think I've put one yet. No one noticed. Yeah, I don't think it's that important. Okay. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate the feedback, bro. Do not remove plus, remove the space before it. Ah, okay. I see. Alright, guys. Let me see. Where is it? I need to leave because my mom needs to have a Zoom meeting. So it doesn't look like math. Yeah. Thank you very much, Enex. I really appreciate it, man. I really do. Thank you so much for the big help. And I'll try to get many of these implemented over time. Excuse me. I've got a suggestion. Align your text like you align your code. Anyways, hope you had fun today, guys. We checked out the competition. Looking okay for us as a tower defense game, but there are some bangers in there, man. Like some real big bangers. So makes me a bit worried, but hey, that's just life, right? So anyways, I'll see you all tomorrow. Hopefully you have a great day. Peace. I'll send you over to TCap. He's playing Hollow Knight. Bye-bye, guys. Peace. And on YouTube as well. Thank you guys for joining, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Let me see. What did you type? Having water reanimated would be nice. Yeah, we'll see.